uyo bi oye fun tayo ya abonze na koje na abobo ebeboa no we gia wona so na nema akoye pa etimi era mana baby girls no ye the menso plus miss chanaba etimi edi ama munkomo no ede papa ni na nzo oyo bi a bosome so bu nsa na eka dwen sheda emba ya fa mfio no hona ye bisi basa e wo so ma baby echeche ya kono pampan bi ani fi ho na cheze baby ayede aso na nema akoye pa etimi era manti jemenso plus miss chano ene na ebo yi sa ha no ede fi ho Mr. Abo Kumase Jeffrey Abo Mankesi Penable Cape Coast Nimdia Abo Takrade Nanabo Achebe no so no ewa akra ne tema ena Ekus Pharmacy ewa Shaimaya ko na kokojo de 0248778899 0248778899 abwa na hyehyena ko yeda ma drinks no eye mienu eno na esmasi no yere ko akwakodi eye na ba ebedi nto na ba de dodo na ebaba be hye mu no mekanfo de ama so beji mixer 5G no ebema hoden sonko we gia wona so na dwumadie bi a wudi bia wetimi edi ne kama pa ni nanza hoden na wakwa lusu no beko na wanya di ashima Mixer 5G Ghana uma adrena de benya no grapes no ebo mode yem ne ma no wade na afi no jinsin ni yi ntini ma ebo ama ne ma deda ye pa etimi yere me dini ye Mixer 5G omo na di miso fruit drinks na ba drink emu ede akono emu nsu api organic fruit so tine farambai na to nkra ne embro bibonzi yankofo no atu agumu ombonten so a obetimi agibi na esmas we no ode aye wade 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 106348 0558 106348 Nanyama ended a year per farmer Kweku Orchard Company Limited ewo ko for idia entimu amo istino mon phone number with 0243 329 414 0243 329 414 na KF Kinju Enterprise Urwani HM no motel swamia obo modena kumasia wetimi 0544 483 0544 483 niambwa nyane mandeda yepa entimi farmer manage Daniel ewo here overseas 21st kineko ubenye bi Mama Esther Outcome Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University Ebuakwa UGB PNC Ventures Anomanji Taxi Station Opsi Charity Hospital no ubenya bi na Sachi Enterprise Urwani Chema Safo Abinchia Opsi VIP car park no yebwa nyane mandeda yesoro etimi era ma kama pa na ntutu no enso akoyi soro etimi edi amana ne no yakase enche UEFA Champions League no na chese ne eba na ababe shase na bia ba ko a ewo so ko na okoko che wadwe ne boa mana ma deda di mpre timi ede ma no eye betway wenye du fie du wotwe a www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh okwa utimi download deep no app no ewo mo site o anako play store ababo modena wetimi a download nti na matches no ewo so hwe na uye ho adwuma na eboa mane ma deda ye pretimi era ma mun komo na de ni na nze yasi no ro mo site a yo baby a ya cho 100% back na wabo moden etimi akreke o kreke wa bonze ni ebema golden booking code no me pacho ofa enyi bi fimu and Fabison Cajon, Ucha from 1 Ghana City Eko Kuramu 50 Ghana, na Jeso dia Sikani Yobocho, ye do soa, ye bebuana neno, and Tutiana Kuye kama Pertimia Mana Usikano, on Saturday me Aka, and Tianu and Shisho Mudi Ramo, Oko mobile money vendor Biona Uzene, or Mapo Mote, Etimia and Tutiani, na Niamadida Dina, and no one who say a bota Tracy a top up na, Fausha Muna ye top up no, now ya a bebwa, Naniamadida ye Pertimia Montiano. And command ne Betway omo dia baba be ramu dio be bia terms and conditions ya de omo e apply no Betway bet your way na mpoa na bibia under the year soro entimi farmanti se na meka e de cho no nei no sika no ya tutumu e di Sompa sika promotion obo modern na wa ramu ye jedwa na ne ma de da di imperative ya ma ne ye record 500 Ghana cedi na mun komo na de still e 5 Ghana cedi na de betwa etimi de ram na mpoa ma bibia ade da ye etimi ya manti ne mecha 1000 na mun komo no de dikana enche meba na maba be draw no ntifa *256 *3 hash *256 *3 hash sene wo momo nko ana afi wenya eredu fie du nwotwe a wo akonya so no beba na Sompa sika promotion no wa ba betwa no wadi agedwa enkofu ediska esmas imu no na chese first no wa bomodi atwa wenya 500 Ghana da baby abonze second no so no wa bomodi atwa wenya 500 Ghana na chese nei no odi sika kuma bi ababa benya 1000 Ghana cedi no ene no obebo modena worth me afa code no star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash urama na boa na hye na da yepa etimi ada manti mresem no meba na maba be draw no na boa na ntotoe no akoye kama pan so no etimi ada mama na tetem so no me romu ewa amano ne na medidi nkoma akra etimi ada amade ayenko enkonko romu no a big game jeep na etimi akọ so a na no ye London derby Tottenham ebomodem netimi atra Tottenham omu new stadium no echi Chelsea ni omu ede boani eba na wi no na ya bo team from Tottenham ka no makumba ko enan amomo etimi atemu ba ko a na no edi papa na munkomo no anopa me baba bedidi nkomo etimi ere cho open friend Ange Postecoglou edidi nkomo etimi ere fava no nkomo a ewura mu malulu su eka no makumba ko nan a otimi atemu ba ko no se no de nkomo no ejai
theatre around, waiting for decisions. But I know that I'm in the wilderness of that. I'm kind of on my own. That in my 26 years, I was always prepared to accept the referee's decision, good, bad, or otherwise. And I've had some shockers in my career, let me tell you, and I've had some go my way as well. But I'd cop that because I just wanted the game to be played. But when we're complaining about decisions every week, this is what's going to happen. People are just going to forensically scrutinise everything to make sure that they're comfortable it's right, and even at the end of that, we're still not happy. So what does that mean? Well, that means that we're going to see a lot of standing around. And I just think it's just diminishing the authority of the referee.
Anu ya komane primpana po modere ababa betu galtie di odina berse 26 years ni oba neba be rom no enya de se pepi referee komane nema etimi rom no oba neba be di na so ni na mo no de rom no ne omo hwese nema ebe dadi na bo ma hihye na koye pa etimi ra mo na no a 4-1 no na se na no edin kakra ni na se Toramospe ye bo modere ni omo fan ba ko etimi edidi din komo no so no e kansem kakra erefa game a omulusu ye no.
It was a bit crazy, to be fair. I thought that, I'll be honest, if I was a Chelsea fan, I'd be a bit embarrassed coming out of there. It was only 4, I think 4 flattered them. I think we showed tonight that we put a lot of heart into that performance, and the fact that majority of the crowd are still there clapping the team. I think it's a different Spurs, and I think that Postecoglou's created that. I think that Romero's let himself down, let the team down, so's a doggy, but he's got that in him. But the rest of the 9 of the players that came on, the ones like Dyer, people like that who have been out of favour, the fans, obviously some of us have been a bit critical of them. I think they can really be proud of themselves tonight, and look, we go again. It's going to be tough 3 games. Obviously losing Van de Ven doesn't help as well.
Anu ya komane ya brante na pomo de dia tuja cheze nrane de omo results na ba na cheze anu edin ye papa mu nyina anna anso de se betimi eramu kama pa etimi era momo na se Daniel Sturridge eje pene ebu ejuma etimi era ma Manchester City oye ejuma etimi era ma Chelsea ebu ejuma etimi era ma Liverpool San Ramo ekokubo ejuma era ma Trabzonspor okunune no wadidi din komo etimi era fa mrebi atwam no number 9 for na ye kom asem so mu gina nimu etimi ebogo so no de omo company enkwada na bano se nkwara na bano odene bo 9 krompe no muna ebe preso mo bear wings forward o mehena omo abo ejuma na bo ma ne madali pera mo nchemu sei eno bo mo de dijai
birth of wide forwards coming from Cristiano Ronaldo at Man United, scoring loads of goals. Messi playing on the right at the start, then going to false 9, scoring loads of goals. They evolved the game and made the game different. And when you look at the kids today, when I was maybe 7 or 8, I was looking at R9, I was looking at Nicolas Anelka, Pele, Maradona, all these old school centre forwards, Marco van Basten. I think the kids of today are looking at Ronaldo, Kylian Mbappe. They're looking at the wingers, the guys who are on the outside, the Mohamed Salahs of this world, Neymar. Those are the guys that I think the younger generation are looking to and being like, they're our inspiration. So there's less strikers maybe coming through.
Anu ya komane wa pomode etimi area tuja cheze mrebi etwem no na yenya typical number 9 de ebedu bebi no ebredin kakrin sanse enkwada na eba no apomode esuesia omo a animu no omo aso mo ne nam tente no ano mo etimi abobo bogus ne sa ti mrebi bedu no no see ebenya typical number 9 de e ade bre dinye papa ye romo England no ye nto aso ne didi din koma no pe no oro ani chie mo Manchester United o maso ya the Sun newspaper no a confirm say Jadon Sancho yes Manchester United o mo WhatsApp group no ya bo modern etimi yine fi muntini ma e koso team tiatini aside no o mo aso no enya de so no e bo modern etimi hu bi ntie no en koma baba beto ya no pe no ye di era metimi ara man Anthony nkomo no na report na lenke say bia nkomo consider say January no o mo de be kona wakwa kobo loan etimi ara matin bi ene team no paying for chese enya no kre o mo jiri so mo wo pepa e wo no mu so be gian na so na wabo adwuma na aboa amane ma de di imperative etimi ara man Anthony nkomo no ena nkofo keka say ne modemo no ade chi ade san no former na e konina ene so mo so mahwe etimi ahu say abrante no e gian na so etimi abo games ni bia era Manchester United I no competition no wetimi abo 628 minutes o check sere nema esia kopa de omo se afi no on she go onya assist bia eto mo jiri so gina game ni ma e team no na obo mo ka modemo bia ni wa otimi e dan adintie no e de ababa betodwa e 120 na so ya e di Euro mo so na timi era na report e fi Saudi Arabia e ba ne cheso mo teams na wo no e timi target se Rafa Varane e pene so mra e ma me Germany omo so ro e timi ambo adwuma mo sisesi ano Harry Maguire ababe pia ne she bibi no ayeden e de amane se ne position no obersan enya na back na mom no ogitum so obeba ba be Ramo Serbia anase pono Saudi Arabia patama ombe consider no aba be jama bo adwuma boa amane ma de dadi pa etimi era ma no nyo no nko report ne cheso mo didi di nkomo emranti a me ba be bo mu di no ye promo Saudi Arabia patama so omra emma me jam no mo league no omra me adwuma ye si Christian Eriksen di no Eramu Mohamed Salah di no Eramu Bruno Fernandes di no Eramu na Kevin De Bruyne omunyina ye mranti omudi no eboba de bo mo so omhwe se niema de dadi a January no ombe baba bre so mo sa ebetimi aka mo no ma baba be jama bo adwuma na aboa amane ma da ye pa etimi edi ama mo ntie no ye de aba betodwe se Manchester United in pain for jaze oma bi omo pono na to se ne offer papa bi aba Antonio Martial ombe so na ye etimi ejana kwa manako akwa ku jama bo adwuma etimi area masa team no ezanzo baba be Ramo United no wa baba be bia na so modomo no enya de so mo eheda ehunu yetie no enkomo kakra ba aba be Ramo no pe no yeso yeri tudwa kama pa etimi edi amana Chelsea so no era metetete obaki ano paramere to anuncha from Nancy Boboko no edidi di nkomo na nkomo didi no omoso omo reset Thiago Silva ebeba naba be join omo yesi ne Thiago Silva ekwa Chelsea so omo ka komoni OGC ni omo ewa brantie bia ne modoboro yeso ani ye papa ni di no ye friend Jean-Claire Todibo eni ombe so omo sa ebetimi aka Todibo so ombra ema me jam no mbo adwuma no mbo ema ne man koye pa etimi afama Chelsea Boboko rutie no enkomo aba betodwa na ne Chelsea fans no abomodin aye nyom kama pa etimi era mako pama ni nyinanze ko pama baba be join omo no omo jirize adwuma no bono yade a ano edin ye papa eno abeke ono ne bomodin etimi nya equalizer no etimi ere momo after equalizer no omo jirize modern ball baba be join team no obo ere momo no yade ano edin ye papa eboa emane ma dadi so ro etimi ere ma no ti no nwa hyase a omo ebo na baso ni nyina mo no eboa na hyehye na da ye so ro etimi ere ma no ti no yade aba betodwa yade era metimi edi ama na aboa na se na Chelsea fans no ebo modern no moto nwom
from the left to right. Sompa is dynamite. Signing on for 8 more years. Chelsea boys are on the pitch. From the left.
ya do one echemo enso wo maso o mapomodi o mo ya ni na bo amane ma da ye pa etimi ere mo ntia no ye ko pa ma na uzampa enyomo mo twa etimi ere ma ne Chelsea boys no e bo ama tutu ne ko ye pa etimi ere mo ho sese no ye di era metimi ere ma nra na Brazil mo squad ne ba betodwa e bre ne yakase Enrique Felipe akwari so na bomodi enya kola na dimba ko ama no e ye Richarlison ne waba ababa be di kobo se enya no wanwa se ne Fernando Dennis coach no Anton Sentimi Afenizanze ne modomo no bibio ojiri so pejama obesenya kola paba ababe jama bojuma na boama ne ma de ye pa etimi era ma Brazil man Tottenham spene Arsenal so no mani abre ene Crystal Palace o player binidi no ye friend Eze Eberechi ene report ne cheso mo so no e reso mo sabe timi aka Eze ne waba ababe jama bojuma etimi era mo na bibia enso ade da ye kama so ro etimi era mo ye fi one de ye nkoko Ramos Spain eni koma akra mediki aka se Real Madrid boboko no eguso mo mrante no mo contract no no omo extend no report about nyaba betodwa no echese na ye Eduardo Camavinga nyambo ya woda bibia de dem na chese no so no ebe rama Fedi Valverde enso etimi extend etimi era mo no yesi niema de dadia ede Militao so no ebe extend ne contract no or extend until 2028 na fe release cross no ye ne 1 billion euro city no e diaba betodwa no e dem papa na Madrid for no enso omo ha nina ene so omo si Carlo Ancelotti this season no wabo modern substitutions awaye no eye maku 65 na 65 na waye no yese ba ku kra ni wa waba nyaba be romo game ni ma wetimi aba be shego etimi ara Madrid amad boboko no enti ama de no nya ehu kakra ni na so omo giri so omo players omo kro bench no enya de so omo be poa na hyehye no ada yi soro etimi edi ama omo ntia no soro enkomo kakra ba aba be todwa yentin si mezanze ne eye UEFA Champions League night na yendidi di nkomo akra na yen resere niam nesiatie eni sere mu nkomo no esiako na Manchester ejipini na ne etimi awramo ewo UEFA Champions League no esene besiako Borussia Dortmund mo transfer Newcastle United edi abo eni game no 5:45 samre na FC Barcelona rom no money Shakhtar Donetsk so no etimi abo eni na Barcelona game no na metete se Pedri besia aba be jana na so netimi abo ejuma once Pedri watrafi acha akra na yese ne last game of boy you know was game aban never be che Barca ebomo miensa na je so mo entimi antene no ye UEFA Champions League game last game of boy ene no ntia ne che so beba na ngba be jamo etimi abo ejuma ntikra mo mu ma me Barcelona mo probable lineup no na ye nwura mu didi di nkomo akra na mo ma ne man deda di panti no Andre Marta Stegan yo Ajia Cancelo Jules Koundé Andreas Christensen newo Alonso Ike Gundogan na jeze Romeo so no yo Gabi Rafinha Robert Lewandowski and fair no so enanche no ye wo Ferran Torres into mo ene be jama boa amane ma da yepa etimi ara mo other games Jipene na etimi eromo no ese ne siete 8 o'clock PM no Atletico Madrid de Celtic Lazio ebebo Fran no na fe AC Milan so no ene Paris Saint-Germain ene de bebo na Milan no maso no ene ese game mo ko ne kokoboti a Napoli ene Pierre Kalulu kokokonye pra no Sergio no Pierre Kalulu abomodian no pe o mo confirm se wakọ nyakwa ye report no HSN na chese bosome no maku miensa ediramu 9 na ne no Pierre Kalulu so no ekwa transfer ntimi boadwuma ntimi afama Milan boboko na ano edie papa na no pe no ene uza Milan supporters no oruwani chemo milia baby omo bo modern hotel na omo kokojo ma ho miensa na game no ababa be chance no ko bo chenku ano pe na chese omo twenso omo players no ebeba ababe rom na omo ababe bu ejuma bo ma ne ma da yepa etimi edi amom ntu join na ara oza Milan supporters no erebi mo ekita Theo Hernandez ni Jesia omo di run first play obo mo di anope otimi report to hotel no goalkeeper friend Mark Menyon ono na bo mo dem etimi report at the time oba ebabe du ye ni nie na o se kofo abo mo di omo ebo na bombo ni nyina ze omo jiri so goalkeeper mo dem a wo bo di amom no ya de ano edi ye papa ebo ma ne ma da di per mo na Gigi Donnarumma ene asin ne wo gese pemieza no obeti bi ahia kakra enchemuri ye simple omuzo omuri ise Gigi Donnarumma ewo obi a no Milan boboko na ma ena ne niam bi oye bia no ya de anhera ntwa ye tidi omo ye ni omuso ombebo mode na ne opia omo etimi ato sike ye fake ere guru so eno ne chese na ni briska after no so no omuso dodo na be she jersey number 71 chese abrante we mpatamu a ye fa na Naples ofi no ondwen ho Italy man ofi no ondwen man ho ntino obi am na chaso e mamboyefo ni nyina no niam na Milan no do ani chema omo ultras no na bo modern omo ejiri so mbe na aboa na niam da yepa etimi ere amom na aboa ma hyehye no soro etimi akoye kama pa soro etimi ere amom ntia no enkoma aba nyaba betodwa medi ewram na bibia ada ye etimi ere amana ma Kylian Mbappe ama Milan fans no omani agini nyina ne ze omuzi omo ogire pass enra Kylian Mbappe ba nyaba be ram gesepe mieza zere na wesi abo no modern na ni age otiasi pitch no so si ya ne niam no omo ogidie pa se dabi no eba ne se Mbappe nyebe make move bia efimo Paris Saint-Germain obe consider omo Milan for no ababa be jamo eni omo abo ejuma na abo ma ne ma de ye pa etimi era mo ntia no soro enkomaro wani echema aba nyaba betodwa ye di ewram soro etimi era ma tikra mo ma me the other games no na membo bobo so na no soro ye etimi akwa anima na chese Manchester City ombabo Young Boys FK Sylvanas Vesda ebe joma na soro mo eni RB Leipzig soro etimi era boni FC Porto enso be John Manaso no mo ene Royal Antwerp boboko no etimi edi aboni na aboa ma hyehyɛ no so ro akoyi kama pa so etimi era momunte no enkoma aba na ba betodwa ye di Eramede amana Manchester City o maso no ena metete se zini foreign vets obo adwuma etimi era mabaya no fear Leverkusen no omugiri se vets na adwuma no obo no ade am na no eden papa o ya krawe so a midfield no udiri dwuna obeba afo de ne ba na ba begina attack na chi a obetimi aye adwuma no kama party ne no omo airpen so bra ema mejamo ema me adwuma fama Manchester City boboko na eno ye nkoma ba na ba betodwa no pe no me di Eram na aboa ma bibia adaye so no etimi edi amana Manchester United so no any team from Newcastle United na no omuni abre Olympic Lyon wa krawe so bia ye friend Ryan Cherky ye pen so bra nyama me Johnny omo eni omo etimi ambo adwuma obeki last season no ye linki akwara we so we tutima ye from Chelsea ananka kofo edidi di nkomo so beba na waba be Roma bojuma etimi ara ma Chelsea ne no metete te se Manchester United nyina eni Newcastle United omuni abre yes Ryan Cherky beba na waba be jam no ne omo abo adwuma na abo ma bibia akoye kama soro etimi ara mo na ne open friend Nasa Halifi ena nkomodidi mu no mo bisa ne se na wo Madrid for release na omode nyaba abonten no obisa se na release ben na Madrid for no nyade ababa be Roma abonten a ono ye pempo Gian na so bu adwuma etimi ara ma Paris Saint-Germain no ontimi ente na ebisa se na wonte se Madrid for ni release bi aba release ni on Kylian Mbappe no mo nkomo mu didi ne cheze nya no kreda da zo mo ne Mbappe di nkomo so mbra na nesa ma no ma Johnny omo ne ono mo etimi ambo adwuma na de na wo ka ede fa no pempa no echeze we no ehia ohun release bi aso beba na baba be di nkomo na afi ono kra no edu be bi a na eme koso teams bi mu no enya de so ba e baba di nkomo ntie no enkoma pimpa no mode etimi to yan after no eno se na mo wa kwari so bia ye friend Zai Emery na ejuma akra ne pono ano eden dodo no se akra no na ejuma ye no giri se bibia ehye kama pa so no etimi ma boy na boy na special player o kweda ma Paris Saint-Germain na mo no o se no nya Sompa o mbesha se develop nkra ebebo ma na ma da die da ma munti no o mu gusu o mo we no ma academy no ya preja ne ma na abo ma bibia adaye so no etimi edi ama munti ro so ye dia ababetodwa mu nkomono ye di Eram soro etimi ara mana Juventus aso menyane ntielse ne Manuel Lucatelli yesi eno no natras ye nche ne contract no obo mode no soro etimi extend no na aboa ama bibi adaye pa etimi ara mom yesi nkomodidie no ye wie pe ya until 2028 eno ne mbra obo mode na wetimi extend na bibi adadi soro etimi ara mana nyo no nko yesi ne nkomodidie no so Erama Daniel Rugani ono so ye hweso obebo mode na wetimi extend ne contract no aboa ama ne ma de ye pa etimi edi ama boboko a ye from Juventus City ano so ye nkoma ababa betodwa no pe no ye di Eram etimi ara ma ye mrani ti no mamenda me wona afre me nkwa famra me ba abedwafo ye krado na afe ya tiasim na de akebia ye etimi ara to aso kama pe di ama mo.
Stand to win your share of up to 10 million Ghana cedis in prizes with Betway's Scratch and Win. You can earn your first scratch card by playing table games, slots, or quick games. Scratch and reveal a range of exciting prizes from smartphones to fuel vouchers and more. Visit www.betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way.
21st Clinic yes sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je wo ba bia enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasam ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha baby a womu ho 0540 311 311 311 0540 311 311. That's the 21st clinic. One way sciatica expert.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. O how bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na me chika seso na me honam nyina ya me ya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na waja me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oje me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oje aware Royal Foam. What man nane relaxation aye de awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se Royal Foam mattress eye papa eche yie eye quilted mattress inti woda so a ama wona ye foam se woto mattress free Royal Foam a teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ni carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots ewo Ghana fananyina free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
So what do you so? Anyone is ready who say that's one castle be what you ma obefa nkwada na why your own boss dia any another yasono abem if we say Sompa FM and TV at the Sompa Creative Workshop at the bro nyame ya domo November bosomeno ni fiade twato enne memenda na sedwumadie eba so ye kire wo niam maakoma akudum yenu na wo ankasa wade wo ho 3D epozi and what you know crown biofuel digester, magic cup, magic pillow, and have a customized sandal.
Wahwe se wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yakakire wo se untimi nchanti e me chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yakako bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro iniane me kire say bia opese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye mremremra ma o ye hia obeya de say obe dial star 110 hash na tua kakọ merchant bia ho e wo network bia so Nia
Vodafone.
Alright, here na ya momo dena fienko na dia kebia nto aso etimi enfamanti Michael Akomiana na Jemfiaba ode be ramna ma chisa odo na yetimi ahwe na abo amane ma dadi na sere mekan no ene Sompa sika promotion ya bomode etimi asa peja sika nim di ozo oba bi twadi na ebo amane ma deda ye pa etimi edi emana mun komo no ya dia ede papa ni nyina ze ne ye dia kwa kuram ya nima ebo ara hihye na dadi ntine utoma pe o ska bibri ni nyina ze ye dey free 250 Ghana cedis no e dey call 500 Ghana cedis na mun komo na de ni nyina se still odo wa kunya se 5 Ghana cedi na e na abeba na nwa baba betwa 5 Ghana cedi na enti cedis ye star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash nyame boa na mienu no unya na chese o akunya se no bomode na wetimi enya 1000 Ghana cedi di arope no zema bia po konkro no so ache nkofo Nti Ramu nabra bitwa star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash. We na me say utwa. Hey, namaza ayi de 500 Ghana de mu edu ti no. We na me say utwa no 4. Na wa home so kakra. Na wa san atwa 2 na de ahye mfini. Na wa home so kakra. Na wa san atwa 4. Na we that is where there. Wa van Ramuza na wa kachu difa star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na nyamwa na nemande da yepa and from a champion divine can examine can fan Josebra na Asiatica hon komo ye breni aboa na wagian na so makaze champion de Miami dance di e kan mi no mudino champion no edikan ti wa transfer amato asintini twetwa ye breni aso ano fibro don komo oba wa funda e kesesa na so no hwenhye da nim yare na ne de ba ni nyina mu no o mreni aboa so ano opeba unye bi na afọ ye bema na oba nam yare du nya diabetes pressure asthma hepatitis no any stroke no baby a yehweboa amanso nya afa wudi no e champion divine clinic nti ruamu ne mboa yezi na esika se mi na ruamu na de ope no yetimi anye amfa ma wa yesandu sika no ema back omonko an bomoden etimi ye san hihye no nti ruamu ne mboa na so no je wa ya isa Kumasi opomo a oro ani chemo New Orleans McLean Hotel kwan no so no obenya omo Kumasi na ma na 0548593968 0548593968 in Ankran Tantra Hill obenya omo nkran na ma na 0244230535 0244230535 na mboa man hihye no ende da ye pa entimi emfa ema na bibia enso nko kama pa na niam ande da ye so no entimi emfa ma ndimi za abere na wa pray we na tum na wa hwe na ma hwe se de niam esi etie ne de ewira ma so special birthday nkwa ma Messi Jomo e wa Asante Mamponi ye ne da special one Ramu kama pa emfa ma na bibia ande da de emfa ma so Messi happy birthday Ramu entimi emfa ema me za ye Ramu ani nkomo akra za bibia aboko de
onyame adom ahwe ni experience Abuja bi miji 2 years on ho ye pa
men so me ho ye bara me zen no Sompa sika promotion no edi afri 250 ne call 500 Ghana anti kofo ntwa no mudi
ya 5 cities edi 500 Ghana cities
zes man see you nya we abu be de pa
wo da munye 250 ne duru bi hu de be ye de aso to forma tete o ma ebi mu so 5 for 250 kamo pija ni man ya ke bi ni beje ya pejam abu for 5 cities di 500 cities wey me no wa ka me tamfo na me twa no 20 fa
so sa
e ba be wi an ma say twa 20 fa because udia sa 40 Ghana no 500 cities when am for so 4.6 abu na de 500 cities timi ye wo krom ha no
ano edemeza
bronya so ba o de 500 cities timi ye wo krom ha no on se bronya ba ye to ne omam
yes
it twabi ntem now this scanning ntem a ukọ krom a no ade anwa kakra no ade mo kakra na de akwa kogu dem ade chi anu asa atwa odia na odi size scanner eboaboa bronya ne oma na no ate o se be ready December anya sa surprise ni 200 cities ne bronya be ko 250 300
sa pepepe
it is this scanning ne twagum
anti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash e wo akonya so obomode na no pay a 1000 Ghana cedi ababe yo de me ko mienu ze medike akobako na masa ko di ko fo twagum wedding pa me da viral man yanko
yes abudi abi ma yenche etiefo ne ahwefo ne obi bia wo join na no pay wo Super Sports it's another Champions League night but crucial to fully understand where every single team be agina when it comes to UEFA Champions League with the group standings. But Abu and the group many was so pa the group E and the group F. Now on your screens on group E, Feyenoord, Eddie Kine out of the 3 games were winning 2, Elusu 1 or 6 points. Anna Ohe Atletico de Madrid on a tosu mienu out of the 3 games were winning 1, Adro 2 or 5 points. Then Lazio 4 points. Then Celtic 1 point. Then no A group F, Paris Saint-Germain 6 points, Borussia Dortmund 4 points, Newcastle 4 points, AC Milan 2 points. Now in this particular context of discussion, say about the UEFA Champions League in terms of group E and group F now. Sa bo home and away be at so one team and very crucial if you want to qualify at this stage. So in the encounter no mushi ansa na eba be ko break here o ma mo be the league matches ayese be no. We na say Feyenoord any Lazio boy and na Feyenoord e dey share Lazio. Ana abenya Atletico Madrid ni Celtic boy na 2-2. So this time around, Atletico Madrid have the opportunity, so on no 7 points. Lazio have another opportunity, so no 7 points. So Edia bro, FN or no 6 in the show. So it's very crucial in terms of this home and away. Now, Omobo in that league format now, it be a curve now. Very crucial for your qualification. More of the same 4 Paris Saint-Germain, Borussia Dortmund, Newcastle, and AC Milan. Ewaha. Itiabu, your games near be featured and they can't AC Milan and Paris Saint-Germain. But in contrast to discussion of the Paris Saint-Germain and AC Milan game, no man you behe. The kind, you behe the Theo Hernandez and Lucas Hernandez, or my brother Panada Mades, no, or Mutu Medium Bedine. Then Zaire Emery, I could have so I was so I ordered your money the momo. Then what could it mean for AC Milan? So Mulusu game no for Stefano Pioli. Nancy pressure ban super. But Abu, in terms of air brothers or what me see, I can Michael Abosu Debiama Debia. Let's know what Antimi Sam go through game. But when Theo Hernandez, Ninia and Lucas Hernandez are Abu, you definitely ask yourself, say, is this also going to be a test for a brother's love? Because a crucial stage of the Champions League where emotions are high. AC Milan with 2 points, PSG was 6 points. AC Milan really game now over 5, PSG aka 6. It is a match attention wompa. A tension wompa. So it's going to be a test for 2 of them in terms of Omodora and Womuntem. But when it comes to testing their love as brothers, it has happened on 2 crucial occasions where most of them have defied the odds and shown a reasia fenenina, the entia odo eye soronko ana moja emodu echen bibia. Na Abu Diedi kind aya omo papa eje omo ho because o check here on papa nkasa ebobo obo papa professional football. Jean-François Hernandez, obo Atletico, obo Vallecano, obo Marseille, obo Toulouse, obo Sochaux. But omo papa ni ja omo ho no e ma ne beka omo ma me pe no. That was the first test of the brotherly love we were expecting. Say, be a community bed, a better back over papa ho, na bakwa koma ho. Now, so there be Omumi Alunina na boom, any boom, despite being born in Marseille, Omantana Hono entire life in it will be hard. Sometimes they feel more like Omuya Spanish than say Omuya Air French.
Yes.
Because of baby Omotana Edini. So I don't know to me and break your mama, I mean, I'm a sincere no matter professional football. The second test for their love came as at when Ninia Theo Hernandez any opportunity so be trials for Atletico de Madrid. And you Lucas na no mo peno. Omo tro ankasa de command Theo na koye trials no. Oh yeah no. Na wo so ma me free Air France as at that time be o ye bia jai. E ba no be he ne ba no se de no masiti ko. Na no no ba ye no onya obi amfa Lucas emfani nya. To the Lucas su be di na chi di na ba. Ititio trials na Lucas so ne obi di na chire ho bobo we bobo kosoro na we abo ana Atletico for se da bi we su nimbo mo fo no so be dey
emeka ana mo ye ne quick but no ne ba ye no Lucas no benya senior team ne bo ntem di jani nua tiu just right say Theo anya trokoma e se trials no ono na embra another test of the brotherly love obi akobeka say oh na me kwa na me di kan ba ye ana me nua no ana say insembebre but it puts them to a test where both of them pass successfully. Anabako ekosi akande ma Real Madrid at some point in time. Ni nua bo Atletico Madrid na movie e de kopie mu Bayern Munich for a certain amount me di 2 years na higher at the Atletico de Madrid. So these 2 tests of love have come a pass eko. Another test eba ene match between Paris Saint-Germain and AC Milan na ye di 2 years it's even much more crucial than what we saw in the first leg because of the points gap between the 2 of them. Now, I know Abu Dhabi. Osha games of Mumienu na nkasa na bono. When any time Mumienu aboti omuhu. During their days in Spanish La Liga, Alaves in Atletico de Madrid, Theo Estate, Lucas Amo against Real Madrid. Theo Amo, Lucas Boma Atletico against Real Madrid na Lucas Tatimo Atletico, Theo na Amo against Real Sociedad. And also Theo Kotremo Real Sociedad. Yes.
And also so Lucas Tate, Theo Amo. Then Real Sociedad near Atletico return leg. Lucas no injured by Theo Tate game no. So this is the first time in terms of club side last match of boy you know. Yenya so mumi no start and then almost asubo bi. And points will be crucial in this particular encounter. And Abu, let's see how the test will go abra omumi no nyina ebo for the other side. Their mother will be so proud for an encounter. Zaire Emery, Yabeka Nasema, 17-year-old that watch Paris Saint-Germain in Naso. Now, because of him, also Luis Enrique Ba appears in the formation of more with a 3-back.
Yes.
3-back, we call 4-3-3. 4-3-3, because of Abrante, was a son of the 4-2-2-2. They said the RB Leipzig, Ebono. It is Javi Simons ni Omo as the wingers. This time around, Yenya Sebia, Lee, Kanyi, One Dembele, and Ebo as the wingers. But at the base of the midfield is Ugarte and Zaire Emery. But Adia Makula we demu Sunkoni said, Tamana Messi ni Mbappe Mubo Paris Saint-Germain Daniel Mongo no that school.
Sompa Sports.
It is small boy our take class de BSU there and the crony na be seen in Aswa. So we Kylian Mbappe the Nisin Chenya. Abu way another test for him to prove to yourself and then I say he has come and he has announced himself after that particular super performance against Paris Saint-Germain, AC Milan in the first leg. It is a game no better another test. Stadio di San Siro. That is a stadium where heroes are made, where history are made. San Siro, Abu Oko now to me down what the Bobia dia a pejal dimu ye pa. And your stadiums you UEFA Champions League was what to be called now for any baby or honor Abu. Would you prepare free books muda? They are historical stadiums within the Champions League. They have a history with the competition where they are aligned with each other. It makes stars, it makes heroes on a certain night. Anfield, Santiago Bernabeu, Nou Camp, San Siro. Estadio do Giuseppe Meazza, one is also San Siro. Then Bayern Munich home, Allianz Arena.
Old Trafford, yeah.
Yes.
Old Trafford, so there.
So it a player would demonstrate because all Daniel maybe a and tonight to be a bigger test for him. We are looking forward. Semenyo, a better post in Theo Hernandez tomorrow because Kalulu Ebra. Then Calabria, Tijani Rendes, Lossi Chick, Ni Eunice Musa, Rafael Lia, Olivier Giroud, Christian Pulisic. Then Donnarumma, Theo Lucas Hernandez, Milan Skriniar, Marquinhos, Hakimi, Ugarte, Zaire Emery, Lee, Dembele, Kolo Muani, and Mbappe. Abu, key battles in Yedi Kambo Bosso Dada. Yebe Huse Mbappe, Menede Hawa, Tomori ne, Tia Mubesia handle is very key in this particular encounter. But me jitu mi ese Paris Saint-Germain wa more than say San Siro Mesa Kwako Roma Kwako BBD AC Milan. Paris Saint-Germain double chance end over 1.5. Anytime goal scorer ubetima call Ediama Kylian Mbappe. For AC Milan anytime goal scorer ubetima call Olivier Giroud or Christian Pulisic in this particular contest. Dortmund babo no home modern abo Newcastle. But the last manager to win an English manager in context English manager oko win Newcastle San Siro and answer against a German opponent. Germany, was Sir Bobby Robson. That was in 2003 with Newcastle. And the Omokosho by Leverkusen by 3-1. German soil also. Eddie Howe has an opportunity to write his name in the history books and then number against Borussia Dortmund or the Westfalen Stadion. Now Abu Dhabi in this particular game, you get to me say Kobel, Besimbani, Schlotterbeck, Niklas Sula, Rayson, Oscar, Julian Brandt, Inemcha, Marco Reus, Falkirk, and Malin, and the best at the Ama Borussia Dortmund. On the other hand side, Nick Pope, Kieran Trippier, Fabian Schär, Lascelles, Ubenya Livramento, Longstaff, Gumaresh, Willock, Anthony Gordon, Wilson, and Amiron. Abu, Newcastle have the men. They will go with a lot of intensity, but they still have problems with their away games. And Abu, they are not consistent enough in winning many away games. And this is where Newcastle falls short. But in terms of hunger, thirst, quality, Newcastle will prove actually this season say against tougher opponents, they are always there. Oma Kobodo against AC Milan. Oma Saka play another draw Biemana. Borussia Dortmund are trying how to beat Newcastle if you are playing against them. That's why the intensity of mobile. Quick transitions through Marco Reus. The ability so mutimi retaining a lot of balls. Ekuto when the technical quality ekuta Borussia Dortmund. Prove the maomo. This is a game I'm to me say Borussia Dortmund is not going to lose at home. Double chance Borussia Dortmund and under 3.5. Double chance Borussia Dortmund and under 3.5. Anytime goal scorer for Borussia Dortmund, call for Marco Reus. Anytime goal scorer for Newcastle, call for Miguel Amiron or Anthony Gordon. Atletico needs Celtic 2-2 in the first leg. But Abu Diego Simoni, once in the Champions League, they only the one year they cried. Obetime Remu to the round of 16.
Yes.
And today's quest, Omube making sure say they will stamp the authority on the game again with Oblak, Witzel, Hermoso, Savage, Lorente, Koke, Niguez, Galam, Molina, Alvaro Morata, and Antoine Griezmann. Abu, Ewo Fiedie. me hunu kwan a me say Celtic be fa so meet me at Atletico Madrid in terms of winning the game, not necessarily getting a goal but winning the game. Goal there meaning say you can trust players be say Furuhashi for a Celtic say one really yeah we take strong na more than it. But Atletico Madrid to win this particular game, Antoine Griezmann anytime goal scorer, double chance and over 1.5 for Atletico de Madrid. Lazio have a very tough encounter with Feyenoord. Lazio 4 points, Feyenoord 6, Atletico 5. Atletico wins today, they go to 8. Lazio winning, they are still in the competition. Mauricio Sarri will need to prove a point, and it is about choosing between this game and the Rome derby. Yes, it's about choosing between this game and the Rome derby weekend. And Abu, Lazio winning game will be very difficult for them to win the Rome derby. But if they should concentrate on a certain game, they should win this game, because when they beat video Marco Pimo the next one. Abu, we expect quality from both sides. You look at Ivan Povedal, Alicio Romagnoli, who brings in so much experience, Patrick Manuel Lazari, Adam Marusic, Luis Alberto, Ono Ana, their best player this particular season. Then one Nicolo Rovella, Matthias Vercino, 4 Inter Milan or the PMO Lazio. Then Felipe Anderson, Ciro Immobile, Matthias Akagni. On the other hand side, Ubenya Luthael Gertruda, Ubenya Bat, Nekop, Ubenya David Hanko, Tese Quentin Timber, Luka Ivanusek, Calvin Stenks, Igo Paxao, then Santiago Jimenez in this particular setup. By key player 4, Feyenoord in this particular season has always been Calvin Stenks, despite the number of goals Santiago Jimenez Ashe. He pulls the strings in that particular midfield, and Abu Dhabi in playmaking role now. He connects so well with the attackers, brings in the wingers, and makes sure that they create a lot from this aspect. Feyenoord will score a goal, but Miji to me say Lazio will carry the day. Double chance Lazio and over 1.5. Anytime goal scorer for Lazio, Matthias Akagni. Anytime goal scorer for Feyenoord, Ubetima Santiago Jimenez in this particular encounter. Abu Dhabi.
Mate, Meda Sepa Meza, Mami Kimbra Migi, Aqua Baby Abocode. Nema Sushi Yede. Let's say we are lefty Scadimo. Chen comfort tactics of Mufan. Your 500 cities they would do.
Exactly. Into the end, it's a CCA no. Your friend is saying Kobe Abe tilapia. Good. Inti ya enhance or chances of winning more money.
Yes.
Good. So for every attempt I obey was some pescana so no. Sikani ya page from 250 cities to 500 cities.
Yes.
Which is 100% increment. Ya besa unyeska bro nyeba. Ya dream obeto to nyoma bebre. Inti to stand the chances of it may win sa no. You only need to play part in the Sompa Sika promotion. Now Sompa Sika promotion no simple and tietia. What the ane say foul phone. Na bo star 256 star 3 hash. Star 256 star 3 hash. Na uja igumwa. Oto ticket a ope biya. But make sure say ticket na oto no. Sompa kumase die na oto. Into oto a say 2, say 3, say 4. Yeah, draw in premium. Into the first draw we win 500 cedis. Or sounds we win second draw on the count as any pub win 1,000. But memo when him radi into we near no bompires only as benyebi. Into Nianis win 500 in 10 day. Yeah, 1,000 flat.
Mudupa.
Yeah, 1,000 flat.
Mudu.
Indeed, what you found with him. Yeah, test TV. Send the about Champions League.
Yeah.
Show where you be upon time.
You be upon 12.
Good. Before said Champions League matches never share and I know you're around 545.
Yes.
And I'm
yes.
You bet me now 500 CDs or they be prepare for Champions League matches.
Wow.
Good. Into the person me say multiple of 5. Yeah, increases Canada call 500 CDs, so 100% increment.
Yes.
Into 5 on the first now we have 5 also 200%.
Wow.
Into Fako say 10. So we are 10 Fako 20. Because 20 cities to me now 250 then all other things being equal ceteris paribus now say 40 cities
as well 500 now they are your name.
It's a simple
we wait the power
anyway and listen so Casabio. It's simple. 20 cities amount 250 cities then all other things remaining constant. 40 Ghana cities will give you 500 cities and Abu Ubenya a profit of 460 cities. Minim adwuma bi abema bibi say in 2 hours.
We simple cry.
Enti ye kase ya no de me be sha analysis na se ya fa 5 fagum. Mayor for 5 minutes for 5 sounds of a gum. Then before I said Bishop Beba, no for 5 account, Bishop here for 5 account. Oh yeah, I know you're saying 20.
Yeah.
20 now, why you know? Ubetimenya 500 flat. Ntijegum.
We need a jegum tatis.
Now you're increasing 100%. Now why didn't you?
Dabi.
I want to anywhere. And he said, "Oh, here, me percent that would just can be." And then the obey no bear record.
Yes.
Was that the first time I had 500 cities? No, now we win.
Yeah.
And there will be a lack of follow. And I said that you. Oh, now breaky Jensen into breaky ya pa. Na machine need which you know man I crab market at all. So machine has started on. Start starting. Oh you are. Abu share the way see kono o de hwe wo numbers no abu the obey luck obey 5 cc and obey win
the obey 5 cc and we dey wa
start 256 start 3 hash the obey ni cc obey win
dem da
yes me can find that out because me share the way I trend ni see kono imade jina ne kakra ma me jina ne kakra ma me hwe no ma no hwe abu
as I didn't so.
Yeah, I make no. You might Debbie ma change nyabotre. I cremo fan me had. Cremo de fan me had. Menya draw answer abu meboa.
Yeah.
Or trophy na say me dance ni we hen abrochire we yo. Our dem he ya de na dance on he.
Kobasa.
Machine ni ebe pekini sisie.
And you also do 2 cc 5.
Me say wa obey 5. One day we are not messing it. When the boss was na papa 5 no ye den number back be PM.
Biggie, Mante, yanko.
Oh, many aje.
The 500 series there.
Esa kan mu jani ye bi.
Dabi. O de ma onye.
Are.
Da fia for mon kan. Mo
se mini machine ni mu ana.
Mo da bu new shit.
And be metra man for mo so disa. Omo be disa.
Kire no mo die fire.
Omo di so omba be da. Na ye dan abaku ba be da so be se ni free na Jesus sa na ya.
Biggie family rom kaka.
Abu Champions League Baso. UEFA is running a wonderful campaign. Mebaso, it has to do with referees, but endra game, you know. You see, Premier League no offers everything.
Yes.
Am I a chaos? Am I a control? Am I a finesse? Am I a drama? Controversy. Endra game na share, you know. It was the perfect embodiment of what the Premier League entails. See, I can say Premier League na demo share. Endra game na share, you know. And when they hear the perfect demonstration of that. 1, it was a game Tottenham entered looking to stay unbeaten. Now come up. Arsenal lost the unbeaten run after Omulusu to Newcastle. Then Chelsea Bemwa, they had suffered with poor results and inconsistency. Or draw and there, we win and there, we lose watching. So it was like so many questions were being posed. Ebeye saying how will Chelsea set up, how will Chelsea handle the form of Spurs with Ange Ball? And truly Chelsea started poorly. Minim de share. Chelsea were wobbling. I said no popo.
Yes.
And they started making mistakes. They were jittery. And you want to see a starting game na son kaba kutum. Then Chelsea were saved by the VAR offside. Spurs and Sandswash another goal. Then Chelsea were not in the game. The first 20 minutes. If you want the perfect demonstration of Ange Ball now, share the first 20 minutes of this game. Fluid. Precision in terms of passing, movement, and by the time the defending team no bias are all reacting, they have already taken another action. So you are always caught or left chasing shadows. So it was a beautiful display. But once again, you will be a in-game management.
Yeah.
The coach in the Bashasiano. You also need to counter as the opposing manager. And Pochettino did something that worked for the next 30 minutes. But I think in everything. Mean to me, family sense me was a game where Pochettino ne winning.
Adey.
Mean to me, family sense me was a game where Ange Postecoglou ne lose.
But I mean, red card never say near man. Red card ne di can buy.
So this is where it comes in. Football na yebon. Obe she the obey bia. Man proposes, God disposes. But in football, in football, incidents or moments defines the outcome. And ti ebetimia dispose of a plan. Just an incident or a moment, everything thrown into this array. Let's look at this. Song go no share. Take out VAR. Nanki 2-0. What happens? It kills everything Chelsea wants to do. Go near striking it out. It gave Chelsea a chance. Then almost by attack. Chelsea shall go through Sterling.
Yeah.
handball.
Yes.
If that ball had not been taken for handball, I didn't even see.
And also Matika.
Caicedo share go. Then Yanje, then you be reverse then eventually a penalty and a red card happen. Imagine see AJ Caicedo go and Yanko review and be penalty and show red card. What happens?
And as them,
so the moments define the game.
Oh, okay.
Mean to me pin it down to manager way are being seen way and a way are there seen way. Rather, what it means is that it was a Ange Postecoglou. He needs to learn the Premier League fast. The Oyeno, Oyadie, but ain't me winning any title in England.
The Oyeno.
Bono. It can't win any title.
How?
Even the Pep Guardiolas. Guardiola had to modify the style. Guardiola had to evolve with the times. He needed to come to grips with Senenyo Messi. And he said Guardiola Beshia a klopper. Now he plays a bit conservative kakra because you learn to play with opponents Aushia. So when you one mention I say me boss style back made any a high line by hook or crook Abu, by the time you realize you will lose point. And when a point game, you build up your point. If you lose 3 points now, the 3 points might win you the league in the near future. So clearly, the person can say Postecoglou is a fantastic manager by what he has displayed. But then that game no was a test of the character. Say dang. Will he still stick to his principles even when it's not working?
Oh, okay.
Said your own name no. Say dang saying no so sa wabra won sisem. And I think if he sticks to that or is stubborn enough, say on sisem ebehano.
Obebre.
Oh yeah, ebehano. Because when the team you hold and our team are all running on, and your team are more that elite mentality say more winning trophies. And look at our teams now. You need to adopt several strategies. You need to adopt several forms or shapes. And game beyond how I see approaching. And in-game situations should also influence your plan. So when you plan A, get a plan B or C. Antonio Conte, season of this Chelsea G League, it wasn't because plan A worked. The 3 back no reverted was a plan B. So it was a counteraction. Because you're not a person or your name fat. Or say it worked for him. Jose Mourinho built his principles on defending. But Obas Chelsea for the second spell of G League not a Chelsea team they were excellent in terms of defending. But it was an excellent Chelsea team in terms of fluid display. So you evolve with the times and then in-game situations. And any idea make a charge Postecoglou. Once the same way behano to Pochettino.
Yeah, here only dear mama na share Nico Jackson hat-trick on Onzonia. A Ramsey.
The easiest hat-trick any player can score.
As I board
the easiest share. A good for the boys who win your hat-trick. It does his confidence a lot of good. Ebebuano. But hat-trick where I was Abu clearly they make catcher on his head. And your hat-tricker. Maybe it makes a statement for him. On the career, when he watch 3 goals, will make it. But the point is that one, it was against a numerically deficient Spurs side. In terms of numbers, meba. Oh,
that way they pose a total as a percent. How that's what we should do. Don't be a hat-trick. I make a numerical advantage like
a numerically deficient Spurs team, and they had lost their 2 best centre backs. Meba. This season in the Premier League, Mickey Van de Ven, Christian Romero, they are arguably in the top 3 in terms of centre back pairs for Premier League. Now, Omu Bakwepra, Baku say in the frame. Time away, share the first goal. Now I in the war park. Two central, one and a war park.
No Bielio.
One and a war.
No Bielio.
You have an easy game to play. One share hat-trick way. Now, una chances we are over here. So it's the easiest hat-trick he can score, but a confidence booster.
Striker. Edemano.
And as I see in the goals, no one is 42 the man a Hollandia.
Hollandia, Holland.
Yeah. 42 the man Hollandia crow go same.
42 bala.
Yeah.
Oh, goes chair.
Yep. Premier League goals. Oh, Nadia Lomuye.
I'm on my and Casa.
That's a Lomuye.
I'm on my.
To the manner. So it does his confidence and lot of boost.
Only Bishop de Moyeno. Mumenyi Juma. Why, Miss Semo? De Moyeno. Yako, if you're Moyako. If you're
Okoshia Huyo. So clearly, Ebebuano to Pochettino. I think that it is a good win for him. But still, there are lingering issues. And when he was frustrated. Share or the picture netos now here Spurs or more defensive line, high line. they were as closer to the center circle and our center line than Omanka Somo 18-yard box. Spurs defensive line. No more bang center line is same Omanka 18-yard box. And if Chelsea structurally, per system, struggles to break that high line we are, it is a coaching problem. Yeah, coaching problem. Chelsea players on with them before the ball is kicked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Spurs players on my line up almost 7. If one player couldn't mean breaking that offside trap, then it means that Pochettino really needs to work on his boys. One, time and movements, positioning, Nyoma Bebre Koso, and also their mentality.
Chelsea no.
And now even with 9 men, Chelsea consider chances are easily Spurs would have equalized. 9 men no. And it's a Chelsea team that surrendered a lead to us now 2-0 with barely 10 minutes to play. So Chelsea really have issues. We win the game where here, but team ninge
Martin member fini ato. Why? Me da se pa. Bishop Bibia wa call there. About Sompa sika promotion ya pijam. Tizere Miki Kano. That do with the pa there. Kapo sham na na e wo fiazo etwebie.
Intimate try me mama me baby girl.
But hello e ba say be your there than storage ni bi.
Aden.
So I could leak info.
Okay.
Star 25 mama me we no na nkofo hwe no muntwa. Star 256 star 3 hash. Star 256 star 3 hash. Is here they do 500 Ghana cedis. Then they make 1,000 Ghana. Ti bijowe star 256 star 3 hash.
Yes, Tiano. What's a machine? I think say a working more with 3. 5 yeah, I'm for 5 in Chemi.
Sir,
I'm on 3. Because one the way is running. Me person obe project here to square akomya nya with 3.
Is it why you
akomya de nya with 3 me ba nya with 3. Omonya ne 3. Yeah, I think so.
Mate. Wa kasale de la bibi adam. Eh no bi aba bishop adam for more than this so basika de. I say what do I have for more than the you? Aboda ofre la li ade what the dear. Wa adam for more.
Ah me friend na enko weekend.
Ah oboda
we just can do.
Oh David zatala o ayo.
That weekend we
look ya that's where ya la.
Oh baby ba. There is more than uncle Tadari.
No baby ba ko pe. Machine o hwe ni din a on.
Ehia mi ensa.
3 star 256 star 3 hash. Sompa kuma se 3 mo mpenguso.
Bishop ya gwe yeko.
Ramada CP. Sompa Sports. Bibia onimre. Bet power no US embassy so omumre. Omumre ni kremo yenko. The US embassy and bring the entire football system down in 1 week.
Are they there? I see.
They are away. That's why I'm watching into the camera.
They are away.
They are away.
But as I'm assuming my heart for them, it's away.
That's it. Assemble next year because it's a family on wire for.
And do the beba
1 week. Your mom 7 days. 7 days. 7 days. Bet power. Sompa Sports. Any US embassy can bring the entire system down. If they are ready, I'm ready.
Mentiase.
Baby Nessie. Baby Nessie. So no move this here. Oh, they are away. Good. And I know I have for no TV because he's ready to move mother. The Mundi. I bet you am try mother. Odro Safocas ye chatro via no one and nim guas meneno. No Ghana phone ye among community. Football no obi ape. A public good. Ye nyina yentimi ko football man ye. Me die so say my vice chancellor. So die so say obey JF president. Obi ani baby onam. Ne mom se mentimi ndi no kra ma me ho ata. Ukwaku metimi ndi no kra ma.
Dabi.
What I say? Ne mom amanya visa ni bi no come on ntum.
Ara ye cheche visa.
Omudi wa ha pam.
Omo cheche
mudi wa ha pam.
Visa na ye
ya follow mu nyina ba ko fo nkwa do club ni patre from a management team na ko ya bounce omu nya. Good. Where before I ever to GF Abano. Now they ask them to football for him. I said what it is say bet power contract near Jim. Or move chum who free me boy. So what it be? Or my chum who free. Kokona so saying.
Ba only power ko akroba. Ni solo pa ba we. Akoya.
O mo wa.
As I would the slowly change only about the cameras Michael say la what you abusa
Fabian Bates.
Oh, okay.
It one the go post what channel capitulation.
And then yeah, my main query we name Rameba. Oh, bound to mean Casabian because one Mekwaba person one who US Muntimin Kobe who see assassins on Metro.
No, power ya. When you are busy,
who say now so Tenefi bomb pie say Ghana and qualify because Ghana qualifier only Cristiano Ronaldo ye pay. Who see your assassins wa?
And I rather that no one can hear.
Uncle way.
But you can see so para. Obe ko. Ebe jari amala ko. Support you qualify ko. Ebe ko.
Cristiano Ronaldo ni nua Ghana ha. Ni nua no. So ntimi nko. Wow.
Ni nua very say.
So ni nua ndada. Uni nua ndada, uni
maybe nim no. Ola oka. You dim Ronaldo ni o Ghana.
They all got ties here no wa. So me court na me tea.
Now Lutake artists are the mood they do for Federal Ghana.
Mon check no. On a more serious. And Ryan ball ni we you know. Me Tottenham coach ne Kasakaka Ange Postecoglou. Me some of the two ja send an Ange or Patre.
About the Romero red or the Udogie red? No, I've already said that, you know, that's whatever decision they've made. At some point, we've got to accept the referee's decision. You know, that's how I grew up. Yeah? And I keep saying that, and I said that last time, you know. This constant erosion of referees' authorities, well, this is where the game's going to get. They're not going to have any authority, and it's going to get diminished, and we're going to be in the control of somebody a few miles away watching a TV screen. So a decision's a decision, you know. You either accept it or you don't. I've always been in the camp, you accept it. Trust me, in 26 years, I've had plenty of bad ones. I've had plenty that have fallen in my favour. It is what it is.
Good. We case number 1, Ange Postecoglou, Nasa Matuja. Case number 2, Mauricio Pochettino, and also Nasa Moses.
Too many coaches wanted the VAR. And then when he say again you, now that is a disgrace, and that this is, you know, it's difficult. I'm not talking about Arteta.
Mira me dase. Oma common semari na no say kai say munya consistent. Na mama obi en say VR na nye problem. Nipa na omuti VR na chi no. Omu na egu agro no.
Omu na egu agro.
Of course. Omu na egu agro no. Nipa na omuti VR na chi no. Omu egu agro no. Omasa
Sompa Sports.
Ke coaches Michael omu ye adwuma na so omu modema enswani a ye omu dey. Coaches dey omu dey.
Yeah, president and so any
players will team na some modern so any aye omo dey.
Ya benching and I say yeah Tom.
Na referee nya dey aye anything.
Yeah ohwe. Ya demotion bi na.
Massa. They have freedom.
Lower winning.
And Michael Lebisa say as I didn't Anthony Taylor e call championship mo as CA. All say baba bedi.
So your fourth official for money looting no.
And on that no penalty be or GTR or Geo championship no. Me
wasan akwakoye we ni bi mo championship ni
obedi Chelsea ni Man City
yeah yin so nti no koka na omo ma won kana nkofu bia ye omo referee police number 1 Guy Neville hwene se me wa betro power to the people power no crying class Ange Postecoglou no one country referee said the oye nyenti no oye class
as a bonabaso
Oliver Holt senior football writer for Daily Mail Kereno. Postecoglou's reaction tonight to decisions that went against him was a striking contrast to Arteta's on Saturday. Arteta behaved like a petulant, over-entitled child. Postecoglou behaved like an intelligent, reflective leader. I know which of them I would want in charge of my club. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. When a mass uncle to me, Mom, we are England way. Huh? Referee. I mean, just people should see this.
Same way.
Yeah, people. Oh, sir. What do you say, referee? Referees don't make me real.
Yes.
Their decisions could actually cost you. These referees in England, they be a referee. We almost say, look, omo gadgets, omo pack, omo better cry. Look, they are bad. Almost, sir. But we can't call these people out because you'll be branded a petulant. Then. Look at that. Referee akosi obi on esisi now come on utum na wan ka say referee asa no ye ne nya eno de na che say wo ye crachini wo ye gentleman na mum un say referee sisiu na obi wa no ka say referee sisi me or cromfo wa money modern ya eno de wo no wo ye over pampered, entitled, petulant, brofuhunu. I mean, what kind of life is that? Everybody is punished. Obia punishing okay, except one black sheep referees in England. How do you watch that Arsenal game? Referees consistently showing so massa. I mean, how do you do that? Yeah, I'm saying. A cow top player 65 million. Now we destroy Bibia. You can't say oh, it go reach everybody. It go reach with 3
of our botre.
I mean, no better now.
Anthony Taylor, Sompa,
Massa. I don't know. You see the difference between Wasa and a hatchet boy, and no a breno. Who did they be our son? Who did Chelsea match and a costume? Huh? Massa. Who did they be our son? This is a Chelsea ball match. So Chelsea match.
Oh, no, to me destroy everything in England. What's our course? So
they are untouchable.
Of course.
If there is a proper marking scheme, you have referees.
Come on, man.
Where any son could any high.
Come on, man.
For the last 3 years.
Come on, man.
Who can all recounting incident?
Come on, man.
Wait, the odd champion fee.
Come on, man.
Wait.
Manchester City. Born here, that be.
Weekend.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Ubos were bet destroy Bibia. Yenia Bria Uno. Chelsea are training. Manchester City are training. And Central for Casa Obi Amra Stadium. Supporters have train any bus. And Antiaba Stadium. Born here, born Chelsea.
Yeah.
More bet Nasi Obia Tina Stadium. Stamford Bridge Aboma referee. Wabe Janabe. Wabona be referee. Yebe Deni. Trokan.
Only be destroy.
Trokan. Massa. Trokan. Omunya sa subai no. No munya nka mum say look nkofu o Massa.
Wow.
Look, let's do something about them. Untimi njane sa it go reach everybody. It go there. No make a chono. Cromfo we twi to asimiso abomi tuo agimisika. Na yesio enye ebedu akomia so. What kind of rhetoric is that? Come on, man. What kind of rhetoric is this? Who dey waha? Ene da ben.
Ene ebnada.
And I'm also born here that be kwesi ada. Ubon say ken he would be involved in the game in such a manner obeye bibi amana cost you bi. Me aka say. Oh, referee I said that. And now referees have errors. Strikers ebo ball to go aya ka say omo ye nipa. Defenders ekoto ampa wa aya ka say omo so. Oko tie post match analysis kwanya guy na bu betra onom oni kaga. Players EB and away nya there and the money could have done this, could have done that.
I'm with me craches will be self fatas or captain team.
Absolutely.
Self fatas or boot team.
Absolutely.
Like I never there on Egypt. Now me no unim the bishop yes pa. Also obukari alo. Omo jiji trophies are large as e. Omo nyan wo adwuma. O na dey leaking na home. So like leaking wa anya but king ball watching.
Exactly. And no one them na ya kaseke. Ni omo ye no omo nsesa. Look, allow people to talk to the referees. Me de masemusi. Maybe I'm DC ni. Referee akodi ball or Saudi Arabia any UAE sports. Manchester City here owned by UAE club. Now referee na be the Liverpool ne Tottenham. At the time Manchester City lose here. Liverpool show me to am. No akowia am.
Asem we.
Mo kan we here, you see, men kasa. Arsenal elbow against Newcastle, a Saudi owned club. Now referees no mo call Saudi kodi balls from bi no. Ba ku na ebe di sa ball no. Na dey we da ben. Sebi.
Minim komo na oba.
Minim se dokona ben a na eto ahyezu mi hu.
Uza ade na be.
Look, mo men kan no krenchen kofo na ye njai sensentrofo bi ni sky for no aka ginam na referees ne dey ma ye nka mo tam ye mbo mo tam so. Me se na ebnada. Anthony Taylor na dem finfin no. Mo pen na assistant and ni VR for. Eye den a nye 63rd minute 42nd minute. Ye benya bibi pin e ba be ka say hey Anthony Taylor dey just odi Chelsea match nko no mistake. Come on, man.
Bishop Mate, member Fieni Akasa, Menko, na last chance about St. Thomas, you in Koma, Kranamon Sompa, Sika promotion, ya peja mu don't come na mu depa. There and now run about 500 Ghana city, the Yara Keto Akrati star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash. Jeme Kwaba, Namaba Beme drawn the Kanamo Munka Miki Kills number 3 and a lucky man and open Yakwaba.
Bibia boko de. Oh, body adom. Bibia fine. Bibia.
As was a when you must sama. I is a one yawa. I is a one yawa. Bindi pana minindi.
Mia pa.
Mate. Yankwe. None here. Or buffalo.
Or buffalo.
Too much. Too much.
I say I don't know. Osha say na no mo sa tembia look young.
I don't know amazing. You know.
Yes.
What's the sano?
Masesano kra no. Aye. Buffalo heba Mr. I say bibidro de unu ya yo. Dabi ameka se ye wo abrofuduro e wo ho ne wo bibiduro ho abrofuduro no ye de afamfidie mu bi organ ha bi adi hu adanse se abrofuduro de e de ye de afamfidie mu na aba ba ye bibiduro ne de esija so ne yesa no
dido na
ye natural kama natural enti ye bibifo anase ye especially ye Ghana for de nyankopon wa hira ye papa because bibi o ha bia ye natural bofre enwanu nuru ewo mu ebo mani padua no na hahan ene chese na brand ne duane na nkasa no ni bunu no de abre ni nyina na ba enwanu nuru ewo mu mani padua no ye bebre eba ne prekese enwade no wo eye prekese mu abuo ni padua no onuade ma bebre enti nyankopon ahyeda wonhyira o ma bia na nya Ghana ebisa Ghana kura de wa prasta da ho kura ne disment kura kuma prasta na asi abrosa no na ewura fifi wo ho
yes
eno kura ye duro ewura na ya na bi fifi wo abe ho ade ya bemduro no wonima bemduro abuka no kura
bemduro za kaza we mudu
wonima bemduro
David kaza we de mudu
Oni wa bemduro onze sini akura esro
no ne de no me ba ofa me wa be chechuru mu o ne ma bebro no hu a me hu bi da
okay
o ya na bebi aye no so kan
okay ejabu abemduro eye abea ye de siga se de ye abenkwan no na mmom we no ye de sa haban na ya na fu abe ho no wo de guso no wano afra onu awi a no wasi anasa wawo ni nyina ne haban ni nyina wo abewoduro num na de aye nkwan eno ne ye fe na abemduro eno ne ya na ye ma abatan oba wa wo foforo no bi se ekum oba no ne yem ene sebe na sikuru ema ne ho to ne ntem ene de ene dodo no a empe no yusu ene maba wa dodo no a aba no a no empe sa abemduro ni di ba no so na ye natural timi kum kura na nanom tetefo no wotimi di wu edu age badudwan timi di wu dumienu ensia nso nwotwe eso ne maba wa na aba no owu mienu miensa ene kura maba wa na aba no ye mfa fidie so ne ntu enuano manefo dodo no a wo ho no ma ebu wakwa awo so no oso no de ompeso be wafa na se
yes
je se yentwa na ne nya akoda no enipa wote wokra se kankan wokra ho odin te sei na se kan akokan unya ne bebia je se last chance e ba center ye ne be kasa ase media chiro ye srem ma no munya isa ade ne moamo na munyini nche na mo ho odin no enkoso emra obehu obi a wonya be 60 70 80 a wawo bia be 8 10 enso no ho den enso obi a wo mienu miensa ho den ekofom yesire yenu ma no ne no nyina kanfu ano na ono OBO4 heba mesha de bia meka obi a wonya mfie du mienu ontimi enum bi abatan entimi enum bi na afa apemfo ezo entimi enum bi na mom nei opa bibiduru abadwa so a etu malaria na typhoid ase a ebu OBO4 heba mesha no nko a ena etu yade ase ede amawo enti obi etie me osori a na fever atiesi ne so obi etie me malaria ha na typhoid ha no obi a wo tie me ene anopai na ebi a 1 week bia 2 weeks bia wo treat malaria no pa choko hospital na eko test eko ye lab efa ye typhoid ho efise malaria na typhoid no esese utibe pai wo awo bedew obefe wanum beto wontimi ne di saa ha nketenkete nyina ba wo so etimete ofon enti saa nipa no wokọ na akọkọ test ni nyina awie ka kire se wanya malaria na typhoid wa na waka kire nurse na doctor ni na o test ma wo no ka kire se doc mpacho medwo nso aba ni wayi fum na ko heba shop bia organa ha okwa wo so pe obi wo for no abesha ase na wo nonom na nonom abofuduro no yenkum dwafo enidwa na emom edododo na ho nom a asoso ano na emom abibiduro ye natural ne de etu ase once enu nti wo sha ase na wo nonom no na eye wo ntini no mu adwuma na efin bia wo ntini no mu bia na prapra ni nyina de free nipaduanum na yi efo sabe wa gyanan mu eyi fa odwunso mu efifire na eba ni nyina no na etu sa ha no ne sa yade ni yi free ni nyina de free mu tambia ho dendenden ukọ onwuma so a onya hoden yi wadwuma edwene na benya wutimi di na di ni yie emema no so no wo ntini mu eda ho no na ma otimi didi na wo san didi biem enti mema no amosori a mo no no bi ni adade aphrodisia ni adade mu nyai na mo sha se no OBO4 efrise bema no eye entini no ene moja no fam mande ba
sa pepe
ema bema no timi ye bema wote ase na ye se wo kọ eye free swami na wo do ani ache wo makura wo mfa ba bia bekoten o mane mfa ba bia tin na abekọ eno no OBO4 entini no mu da na entini no eye free moja ni nsu ni nyina na mu kama ebu yade emesoa unya malaria unya hwe wode soronko enti mesre mentini no mu na ho mentini no enye adwuma emfama wo a doctor for me ati ase se wuntini no emu e block a eno etimi ema e di stroke e de ba de kwa wa adwene mu no emu e block a eno no etimi e haw ema wutimi nya adwene mu haw eti ekire se entini ni kwan se wo ma bibia esi entini no mu kwan azata bia na entini no emu da ho ka hu se wo PVC pipe emu si ade na ya na de brewo emu asi no ka hu se ensuo ba betai wadwa ye ho amade ensuso asobona ya dai e de abrewo dan no ensu ta bia no e wo se eye PVC pipe no emu timi da ho na ensu bia enye bia no e frem ko se de be ya ensuo ntimi enyina dan na se ensuo ntimi nyina wo fie ho sabe pe na OBO4 ba mecha no eno so tie obi se meto ase twetweme obi se metrase kakra bi na msisi ye me ya obi se me nanti kakra bi na makoma bo peri obi se ya na me ho hyehye empanyimfo no mado mo mpanyimfie so no e na me ho se ne sisi me drone ya to me pa chaw enye drone ya to ni nyina ne se entini no moja ne ntimi nko yie eje basa no abenya problem obi ho no ma wotewo bo se na ni achi na se ewoso vibration bo se ne nsa ne nan ho na ho woso vibration ni nyina e bo wonka ye se wan hwe ne wan pe OBO4 e ba me che ye ne ye dia badwa so last chance e ba last chance no eye brofo kasa wu o de batwa be chiri mu sayin
last chance
akonya twato ni akonya ai twato ene wanyan ene se wutie yen na wo hwe yen ye di OBO4 eba mecha no e di aba no pebi no nom ye numbers no e 0574 353 707 0574 353 707 and now for 0531 541 755 0531 541 755 eye numbers wo frɛ na question bia pese obusa bia ne bia benya bia to bia ne benya ntobase na ye ne wo nso etimi adi nkomo na wanya bia nonom na etimi aboawo obi se me ye adwuma kakra bi na ma brɛ na ma poso eye me ya edi titru wona wono anuane wona akapentafo amesifo magazinefo ye ne ye adwuma den no sentiri no mu da wona ntine ye adwuma ye mogedi mo afurisa ne koba yi a unua obaye adwuma nso won tebre eni dodo no ahyase o ye adwuma no kanka meti for ne driver for no obenya OBO4 na anopa no osore na wokote ne stadium no wo bobie wonamu no a wo ye adwuma no awia wo bobi ehye wo ka na nim wo mero na nim wo no saa wo bobi anwumre na wakofie no wo bobi ade be che ho dendenden no wo sore na asa ko nwuma so no ye nya ne saa o no ma hyase na mo nonom drink bi obanonom ano ebeduru akina bi no na sakofo nsuanso e de abro na so ye ne ye bibiduru ye natural ehaban nua hini ene nua abena no ya keka bomodi asi gya so a ye noa atwe eye aduro no e de aba ensuo no mu no a ye de agutuo mu e de aba ato di OBO4 heba mesha na obepe bi no anonom na etimi aboa wo no wa hyase na anonom eye chemicals ononom chemicals ene de wo hu sunsunso ne mu machina bi ena abehunu eno nti ye kanfo OBO4 eba mesha e de ama obi a wo tie ne obi a wo hwe ye nko ye do na the whole Ghana ya tro ho fo
monko a
ye nko a ya tro ho fo OBO4 OBO4 yes nti ukwa do so bepe obofo ubenya bi no atimi ato no wanonom ya broi enye na ewo Ghana ha be bia enye na odu ani kiremu ewo ye pharmacy 52 wo kasoa ubenya dodo bia wo pe na watimi ato no akwakonom sanso na 52 herbal shop ewo Kumasi Kenya ase enye na oho na naboache Okenshi drug lane ubenya bi sanso na dani farmer shops nyina no ebi wo ho owo ase bibidro fie ewo eso ewo ubenya bi ewo takwa sanso na Sanko Tex pharmacy ewo Cape Coast mensa ewo takrade eye market circle capital O2 ubenya bi Kumase wodo ani kiremu ewo ye ultimate herbal Roma hell ase honom na enka tete solid ufiri abrosano a na okoso ho ubenya bi so no wo watimi ato tribe of Judah so ubenya bi dependable home new market so enye na mankesim okọ eye Jeff Herba ahomka Herba na Charis Herba ubenya bi Triple P Herba enye na asimfosufo Mama Doris na afi eye Stone Herba okọ ubenya bi ato bogoso so odo wani chemu ewo ye Unique Herba enye na ewo ho Christ is the answer so ewo takrade sanso na Sir Charles ubenya bi nimde Herba nyina no ebi ewo ho no mu a okọ takrade abenya bi Cape Coast so boachi ansa ubenya bi na afi Busi pharmacy so enye na ewo ho God is able Herbal Center so ubenya bi ewo ho ewo eye ebura tipa enfuom ho so okọ enye na sa so na odu ani kiremu ewo ye Devil Can Herba so Okenshi enye na wonti obiofo Herba ne de Ghana ha ya tropete be bia ubenya bia nonom na wenyi wa ho den no nya pomoden akwanya nini last chance Herbal Center aye di OBO for the aba 0574 353 707 and 0531 541 755 the numbers no frey na ni ni nkomo akwanya nini so benya ho den nya pomoden OBO for Herbal Mr. Ebumidas.
Mateo bring your best share say ne me kwaba me ba me draw no di kan. But also twa now di say Michael Ken Sompa Sika promotion star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash. Mama mre join here na beje 500 Ghana cedi na fa ko na nye ya. Migi apofo fra paya na. Ezi ayenye dem bi because me kwaba.
Ka menya nka o ye no 2 minutes ya.
Sa
draw no.
Ka menya ni 2 minutes. Sa.
Yes.
And I'm coming
Cobra. And omonye
big final
because data make us an second draw. The way be say you know
coming this year.
And the first draw ni there no. Ka close no. Kamomo bi anye sisi na komonye for second draw.
Sa.
Internet person o ye ba de Cobra
tu lo ntwa mu no ndiwa. Ti me da mo me ba ya pe de akebia me de beto aso de ama mo.
Betway is your gateway to a theme park full of gaming excitement. A whirlpool of wonder where your favorite games come to life. Where you can take to the skies with max payouts that reach into the millions. All in the palm of your hand. Visit betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Betway is regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way.
Sompa achedie yaba Sompa achedie 2023 Bible say nyame sompa pani say obi ko hunyanka ene ewisia mobo enuti na Sompa 93.1 Kumase Sompa 90.7 Enkransa Sompa 98.9 Sunyane yakabom se bronyen yebema enisia ene ekrafo edidi na yenko ayetimi age se wo beboa yen enti se yesika fatu ahomatrofo iso 0598-559802 meeting ubim 0598-559802 Edia was yeta 1 media na November bosome no media edikan na ye chro ekrafo ni din enti sa won kransa na o Ukraine kotro din e was Sompa enkransa GCB edan mu hwa o sunyane so a kotro din e was Sompa sunyane night market hwa na Kumasi de ekrafo nyina ba be tro won mu din e was Sompa yani no hotel dia no hye eye bosumi duba kono ni de di kan na dwumade no akasa de bronya bosome ni de to so aduonu ba ko ni bebogya trada na de amode tom ye no ye de ama ekura
akunafoi
What you be 1 million?
Was 1 million. What about akoko? Me ba to akoko. Na dia bomo. Na me dia bomo no so. Any anwan ne sadi si no so. Nyame nhira mo pa. Why adie pa.
Na yesika, na yentuma so a. Wo betimi dia ba. Afenso say niema bi ense ye. Ti say mo any anwan so a yebeji. Mo amu ye bi afie twem no. Emu adanse die die. Mo amu nim. Sompa achede 2023. Ebusuafo, yamfa ye ho hyem na propose prepa obodu ponko mu. Ye nyankopon obeyiye wiye. Sompa achede 2023. Ekunafo ene enyanka ne so. Wo mu betiti.
Wahese wako shop akodi dwa ahodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma ahodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yakasira wo se untimi nchante ye chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yakako bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me say bia opese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye mremremra ma ye hia obeya de say obe dial star 110 hash netua kakọ merchant bia ho e won network bia so Nia
Vodafone.
And then me man amaba ne ye wo momo te wo kon make sure so the 5 place aduane no ebe 5 close a we ya make sure say me wo corner ho no mo so me di abana bi o
aduane a me bedi ti me ye me ansa nka no ho
achi me ya Je gasto me share idea wo church. We yam wo yedwa. Aduane to wo yam a. Ya. Etumi ma wo fe. When it is so a. Eyasem. Odo, me kan fo gasto me chama. No gasto me say. Wo ho bet so.
Is it funny? Oh my God. Is it funny?
Open do support to a friend 0233 302000. Enya mapin for. Nkwada wanya mfie dumienu. Ni wona wo man nkwada no fu. FDA agedwedie nkrato ya tum say ye. Gasto Mr. Yaflu ya dedro.
Hey sewa, me hu wacho. Me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afeina me beko. Me nkrata krani.
Hey, ani me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanya otudi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adornment. Akwento aye for. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do beko mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say aye to ana se visiting so a. Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso. Obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi, Asafuleba roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Macho for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses near general art, science, business, no waka kaho. Ever St. Andrews SHS, oh yeah, dinner ever pass. O send one teachers now. Wash a window, discipline, no first one was yati. St. Andrews, Briviera, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Hurricane Abate, Pico Farm say, Warren Jimbo from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Big Piero Wagana, Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, Go School Owenton, Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
Alright, cheme bana mababe me draw no dedi kan teacher na fagum na dibia na mwa mane mankuye ma so pasika promotion baby edunia number 3 T star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash and ya pigeon 500 Ghana cedis meche baako maybe we are masama 500 Ghana cedis dino twaguna dina ne manko yemfama 21st can examine ka emfa Jose Nibra babe Ramo Mashena Sciatica edimba ko eti dwane pe 21st clinic ni nyina nzo mo ene bo modern Asiatica yaye no ye nhwemu hu die nti e de ba ni die nti a omutime so ano na ni nyina ne ze ye maame no ma ya mo transe wodwum no mo transe che obonzi bedu bebi no oto asinti na twetwen sa wanhwe yi a na Ramo osiachi obebi na afa babe Ramo nkotudwe ebebubu bia ba ko wo so ko na akokojo aya isa na 21st clinic ejuma de omu ye bi ye papa nti abaso abode odo na ena akwede amom nya Asiatica nko ena hypertension stroke diabetes no and afi ya hodo na ehu pa no omo no kwa ye mane ye mre ni nyina nso omo laba ye be doso doso am bibia ye ne hye ya mo abibidru a ebeso ano na nso no nya ho de nye no nko scan services ombo modern netimi eye na Friday bia to fa ho na je omo massage no machine treatment no kra na de keke no bonze bobo ho na etwetwon sa na moja no edi efusane onso eno wuza mpa ho asisi hu so ye pa diruamu na djuma pa na omo bono omo branches no makoma kudunu ma Ghana bibia eye djuma kumasi ayo overseas junction obe na Afro radio oboase cancel cortes call junction bi yomakra dome market tu nyomo sunyane nkranza techiman bibi omo bu djuma form na ma no na ka ha ne mbo na nkofofia ama no ne babeja ya isa ntuti Ghana ema ya ye ni nkun 21st adaroma na wanyo ya isa na ma ni 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 niambwa na ne mandeda din so enfama Royal Foam Ghana Limited semenka enfantose nebra na the Royal Foam mattress no eno ana nkofo yusu me konye me ya machie me ya me haye me ya nyina to atwa na mattress no Sunday de otoso eche papa ene wada so no obeda na form na oto a ye mansu nye pa beda so afa adwempa ye de chokwa ni nyina Royal Foam mattress omo hihye ya amabo modern dia kan wono no timo amoton mattresses no monko na monkokoji omujuma panti amabo modern 20th anniversary mo 246 to the second and 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award Yamamu Gold Award and so 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award Yamomo Award and all the new ultra modern showroom aba so Korimampon ofiara ko CCC me pacho omo premises ono and a mattress no king size queen size and a double singles no ni di opibia students nkra mo de no on sabe kan bi wa na aye ni ye pa curtains out on nkunya no obenye bi honum Royal Foam Rest Assured form number no ni omo nkasa yemwa na je mattress papa ni bi 0202 271000 0202 271000 we hunti papa bi hia me bomaba so ni nyina nse ma chana de pa wato a aboana ma na chine ne ya no eto etimi etwa obakọ amano ne nko ade a express group omo na ebo mode de wakọ akọ ramu efa na disuan sensem admission apen wa amano ne scholarship ye beje di amaw ejuma na akọ ne wa amano ne a ye betim no wawura ma boama ne ma kwera ma na international exam institution registration no eni express group ebo mode edi enimu ye nti Canada US UK Australia baby ti say New Zealand Germany ene amame awodo na ye bebo mode ne ye de wawura mu akọ rama nema kuye peda ma to na akọ holidays express group omo bojuma ntino form na ma ne omo nkasa na yemwa na nema de din so enfama 0249 000 448 0249 000 448 na 0555 550 067 0555 550 067 na 0508 111 343 0508 111 343 upo mu kumasi a labor asafu labor runabout Accra Kaneshi First Light Tema Community 18 Lashibi Gore Filling Station on Obenyomo East Legon Omo Eben Trinity Theological Seminar Takrade Odwanichimo Market Sekwa Opsit Ernesto Fast Food no Obenyomo Sunyane Silver House Omo Eben High Court no Tamale Technical Hospital Obenyomo na Bibieni Omo Eben Court no Ramni Ambwa na hihye ne de yeso no Nentimi Enfamantino enche meba na maba be draw no de dikan na ma akomiaze mema momre kakra di mama musima beze abaku bi faruamu na brabe di 500 Ghana cedi anope after no second no so no ho ntunya sa 500 no so a wanya ska bibra ne ma na koye pa etimi edi ema betway energy UEFA Champions League no matches ne baso www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh yanze wenye du fie du wotwe o qualify so be ramu wakwa kutwa matches no wajiska bibri na ne ma dade amana de omo dia be wom no ano edem pa eye Betway golden code promo na golden booking code no kwa baby wa atwa 100%. Okay, so ebema code no offer code na enyi bi mfim bi nka ho twa no a 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana cedis edi wa sika no nya na back udi so abenya sika bocho e betu enko na omo aye san hyehye no terms and conditions ya de omo apply no omo djuma de no bet your way na ne amande da yeso no entimi enfama na totoye no entimi enko kama pa enfama na mo yeguso ka yarefo ne yetiefo se sompa chede ene ne ama didama ye bo modern serafi bia ye no se esmas we no ye beboa na ye maame mo omo kunu mafi mo ejo omo a omo ye kunafo ye nuanom omo maame ne omo papa efi mo ejo omo a eno omo ye nyanka no ya boa mo manim na ese de no kan bi ene ye de sompa achede no ababa bebaze timu amadi kan betwa mu di no me no so abete yenka ontwe odi anya abotre me no so ebebie mu no aba betwa odi na wo achi awutie no onso beboa na dwumadi no krabehwe enti na ehye mu ze mu nyina mo yenka mbom ne yamboa na dwumadi no enye kama pa na mu nkomo ne se o ne me ameba bebo so bia betim di ababa beboa ya ta echi na dwumadi na krabehwe se mo anwa baye tin tomato sardine milo anazempo biscuit ne niam bi edi eyeye no obetimi di aba nya aba beti echi ne enuanom so a ene no omo ewo nyanka fie na o se kokomo mo niam bi a ebeboa na ne ma de na mo tibi sentma school bag books pen bed sheet shoe toothpaste brushes outdoor na face seminar ni nyina o de bebre ni asum na aboa ma ne ma kwe make say no aka wakoma open number bia di bi kakra ebeto se ne de abo dwumade no bra na de atechi na bibia awia kama pa dia me pa cho fa number yi na fa akra to so keto bia nso a ye besom ne ada wase na nyame ehia pa 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 o send dia beba no Tarawa Media ana Foster Blessed Tarawa Media ana Foster Blessed na boa na niema deda di ntino eno ye sompa achede no sere ye na afie twam no na afisi ye na niema adeda di pretimi ara wanti biza ahwe na yanka jangum na yenye ya na ehwe na me first draw no emra ne ade a na bibibia adeda di nti meze we ne ye 500 Ghana made in edition no na ya hu nkofo yi we ni ade ada go me nya to baze kakra la ye ko minya to baze ala ye ko mati yanko ne ehwe na de obo mode adi ne kane no me hu sere niam ni siti ati omofa we na numbers ni etwae no etwae sa na ekọ na eba na ekọ na eba na ekọ na eba dimiza pianso na ehwe dipa na warene we di kan kra the lucky number no 0591 633 0591 633 final free no ya na yedisie enti ona ye lucky number wa bomodi edi dum ko so ntwa me bara maba be second no na no so 500 wa gina dia 2 year and e che 1000 da bia me ba me che 1000 maka sense masiba was me man ko fufilia ti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash and did come aka wo efie na enro ana the CAF Champions League no third edition no niam deda na kwama etimi ewura na Ghana your first game ne Coco Boy AS4 omo na defending champions no ampem da ko a echi omo bo meka mienu emomo etimu ba ko na no the game ne ba na wi no comfort ye bo a ebue na nra go bi o share no na no edin na abawa ni didi nkomo akra after say obo modern am na je say kopim yo no ni se ne modern so ani no say no dey nsem ni jai
au dernier moment it wasn't easy at all. It was such a difficult match, but we fought and then we were able to win.
And for at last, what were the coach's instructions during the game, and was it all was everything good?
Oh, that's all. Besides, coach, you know, instruction no de mamo nsema no ka echemu na na se eboa mo na eboa e ko dressing room kasa e kama say second half e me prove o wrong. It helped a lot, especially when we went to the dressing room. The coach spoke to us and then he assured us that we can do it, so we should go out and do it.
Etiano ya komandra etimi eram na wa menko na me lucky win no me ni nkomo na yen resere ne mesite ma me pacho Sompa TV su ni na udini baby a okasafi
pacho from Isaac
aze ameze o so okasafi
mo kepkus
na o 500 no wanya
pacho aba
aze utia pa bi wona na ye de call 500 na de di kan kra ni na onsaka na minim u twa sen
me try 20 cities. Me think I can 5. No, they 10,000.
As a Michael Tactics, no, the Mauna.
No, Jimmy Akomia, no,
Unimze ube timasa chadi biem. Atene can be biche or more any or more mutie.
And the metal catcher, I shall find it a genuine.
Atinti usan chabe diwa. Every first win on I get 500 cool Michael Tactics no a simple cry
yeah just Canada and the Champions League matches will be way on the offer 200 and then reserve for Champions League games now on already say or a step ahead than or more Moses Besans with
okay
only my crontia so more a channel so be a 10 or no bit my 25
I be all no be dinner
exactly
I be dinner
simple
I be dinner
the chances of winning Bill no I was so
I be dinner or
more year 5 or no so year 5
pokra zo togum metality hey biki
and no obey so more year 10 or so no year 50
said be on no be twom
yes or money or a step ahead and our cash incentive into onion 50 no more macaning yen 10 we no 5 be yen straight 10 yen straight na ono mom no onion 50
okay
simple
T star 256 star 3 hash me say nya first win ano di ano pay 500 Ghana cedi enche mesa be che 500 Ghana cedi na no the Belt Power Ghana Premier League no the bomba dia master ni game ni timi e call so Great Olympics transition mi no e man shateman etimi etimu ba kwa na ano edimpa the game no join a highlight ni bi na hu say eni rom e bo ma na ma dadimpa etimi e ma Ebenezer Aidu brands and marketing manager de mama diema na eni wase Ghana man pinyi se boshi bi komu na boshi de kum ne so mo qualify for Africa lo man pinyi bom abaso ne ade ti ba bi adu na be ya ka boshi ne se de pinyi pa ka che ne manon ka ohwe na onye ho adwuma be boama ne makuye da mama diema sei ene Ebenezer Aidu de ne nkomo ni jai
na message simu biem say promise there o de ma say onhoye ha you better to us here mampani the father of the nation say yes no Yesikano up till now and buy as a club the SAA be reminder say yes deco into say sports minister ATM and penifo ewo abankesim ATM ya be sure mo say Africa na ye ko e de ahye Ghana no nyam President promised 1 million Ghana cedis. Up to now, scanner and yeding and buy. Your best company is 1 million Ghana cedis. Our the promise a bra team no J crew true honorable Duka our MP Ewo Takwanso aye Madaruma Edi any mema ye corner ono. Sa 1 million no like Emre Babegum on the Yesika no your best company say you need that super hotel aye kwakoda we Egypt send the team almost about $25,000 ticket cram by
Tiano ya komani na pimpa efene Ebenezer Aidu apomode etimeda to dwati meba na mini bishop onkomo bidi ba meba no ma me nkwa akomia na Michael na yehwe na yenrere ransinsin mu ni ade na mo ni World Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services ni doctor ni Mosebra na bra be Ramon asoye na ejuma obo no edempa baby girls no o awudie mu hawa nha ho nko bebia ma ye nkunkunkura na asa akwa akofa yi kra de abafie o de ko na doctor ni mu beboa na wagian na so pause ne no oba wa infio na equity problems de ma no obema bibia achiche aya akono na bibia ye de ni na so beboa tighten ne kama pa e de amaya ye bi obi be yi fio na baby boys no so no ana darling boys no obomodin aye mema no ye tedua no oye hu adwuma ni na se dokoma mu ye den esan ye kese osan boa maya ye bi ewon bia ni loan spend account ni dunya no oyi ni nyina fie doctor ni mo ni what na so enko ana ebomode na wanya ne sa anye no yesi halitosis you bi akasa pampen wonum fibroid ewo so anampo o cancer mu ha hypertension typhoid and kidney mu ha liver and hepatitis ne dia aka kan no dunjuma zen ne wani ne hu ne ma ye twaya ye wo so huhumu kra ne dunya ni no hwe hu adwuma no kwa wa research na hu sa haban we anyway na me de mawa ebeboa na ya ye no aso ano ma machines out do na ho e di obo modern laboratory services no course scan services no e course no machines so de be do so Kumase or Transjora Kokusi Memenda anopa no so abodi apa mu 7:30 am de kokura zanwumre no nsia bebo 6 pm na wa sorry na Kumase open a atonsu Monaco Junction one adansu abang ne die nimre enkran so trans ya woda Kokusi Memenda anopa no so abodi apa mu kusi anwumre no nsia eno so no open a odo ani chemu Fotorama Obengorio station or OC10S chemist Fadok number no nenen kasa 0244 0876870 0244 0876870 na 0279 0876870 0876870 ombwa na ne mandeda di pen fama free ventures menka fancho zebra nyaba be romo maso na ne ope toothbrushes outdoor na ne toothpaste o mo na diaba o mo brushes de be yi ade bia ka simefio ensan konkoma o sene mpram moja bia enti free ventures ne Ashford Prince enkwara mema nketwa ne the Ashford Princess enkwara ma nketwa ne the Ashford Evidence and Ashford Executive Ashford Friendly ne for Ashford Galaxy ni nyina no Fibo Ventures na diaba na nya no nko de ne toothpaste a ebema ase no wan ye den ama mpampam bi obi ye de fio ama ose na ye fita na afi wetimi dia window paper na no so mo di biaba ye de afi fresh about toothpaste aba your get clear toothpaste or alloy toothpaste and a peppermint toothpaste ni nyina no ko na kokojibi ba ko na apa na dodo na watu akwa akoton mo number ni 0241 545 646 0241 545 646 na 0200 600 934 0200 600 934 na me ka wo senche me final draw no me baba be Sompa sika promotion ya cho de bebo modena wetimi awen inti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash meza yerom kakra meza na
ya 5 million 5 million
5 million meza di mu edupa o
5 million
we anya yi na ntwe bi ofia ze we die adi
na isi ha wo fa no ede
o fa nye ya na mze
wo fa bre
ba wo fa nye ho adwuma
edi asem kure
star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash what room na
yes abudi abi mama wish birthday when me say kemu kakra
yes
minua panyi if I say mo fa ba ko so no set a champon dodo na friend says
hey and I say scan the birthday I'm the with the birthday bobo de pa
and then say me say pon ade so kufi
why
oh
say Oliver be say card of say what Bishop say the professor watch was
because say scan the birthday dia lo aye keto o
mu ya na mu de pa
abu
say scandi
sorry
the other kind of atofo and then you quiet you the kind of
so happy birthday says Candy nyamisha na onyo kese na oma kwatenti na de bekosu bia na siwie abu enra Ghana Premier League match ekemu ye boy na ka ye betina hanu me na no pay ye didi nkomo nyina na ke kasa about how and so atremaisi ekoye Abdulrahman the form ne ye Abdulrahman akwakobo goal ya she nice free kick goal. But here game the discussion came to center on match I dey share 4 p.m. It drew maybe na stadium no. Abu can you baby the bebo game.
Sompa Sports.
And why you assume samas you delay game no. You the 35 solid minutes.
And a better so.
Bebo we are running a professional league. And this is the state of affairs of a game where you need say 4 p.m. It's your name say you were shorter nights, longer days, and longer days, shorter nights. Like you monitor san your money in a sana. You the venue and I at the time I quite show on say you bought this game at this particular time. It's there soon bit me abana.
Oh, they or demu.
Me say you took chroma scene. You name when shorter days, longer nights.
Oh, okay.
And longer nights, shorter days.
Is there what they
Abu baby a way there.
Unim.
Let me say your shorter. Your shorter days, longer nights.
Is that way sure?
Yes. Yes. Your shorter days, longer nights.
That's a problem.
I don't know about Frabe.
Prof. you're off so asem no
it me height bad
me say oda now sorry ya
me height bad
chance na ade ache
so no ne height
a chance na emu atete
say na me
see me height it me height bad
na kwakosi na nyu
why is abudi abi
simple yeah na me ki
why is abudi abi omo person mo de kaseti am height it na mo yes
pass so enye ye mura paso
o want na ayede
na komo ya ne toko ya me maka wasem o na say me nim so ya
ju abu how is City when it comes to the Ghana Premier League? I feel say we are not running a professional Premier League. We are actually being a joke to the outside world. It's in a nano-pay. I'm not quite surprised with the news and nama bontian say Bet Power withdraw sponsorships as the headline sponsor of the Ghana Premier League. I will not be surprised. I'm not confirming to that fact because there has not been any official release from the FA confirming that. But baby, I would not be surprised to say any entity would decide to pull out the investment in the Ghana Premier League because of some of these things. And Abu, what the TV China so heard this particular game? Yabo game na suma ba camera credit game no kwa say suma ba ni.
Yes.
How are you going to feel say o sponsor league and this is the level of quality that you are being given? Now me posti has a folk issue. I want me handle. Now Abu me posti want me handle. Now I have a lot of friends from other countries. Nigeria, Senegal, South Africa, even UK4. Now Abu Dhabi me de has a folk sa penalty incident in the toso no. Uyi in Kofua omo commenting based on the main decision now. A lot of them near Ghanaians. Omo ye outside Ghana na omo outside Ghana no. Omo comment omo making na say na the pitch ben omo boss ball no. Na the full ben omo boss omo bomu ball no. Na the chroma say the money facility bi ana. These were things people were talking about. Then in contrast, why is that game where we any 3 days? No matter for Tanzania ni bi aba tag me Simba ne Yanga for game.
Yes.
Now her pitch. Omo boss ball. Now the tutu had the now to me say sabi. Chroma say no, let me say full ball pa na e ball ha no.
That's nya kono.
Oh, you can say full nya kono, but in wura bebre. O ka say nya kono sabi, ye papa ne ma me omo ye farmers.
No no nya na me kan Ghana ye ball no, o hwa. But the that now kan Yanga ne wedi na wait me see a we kono. We wa come we akon. Iti abu from league na ye boni nyina from top to down. The level of concentration this particular league ehia no. Anyhow, I bet to your Nyoma investing into your league to get the best out of it. No, we are not doing it. I've always said, say you be calculate ana GDP and you be calculate football for my idea on fa on shema na on value for bibi shem. No, how do you expect it? Say a be repeat results. I'm at the end of the day no when you so fast. Yeah, the nam ne yinam. Untimi nkwache fish nka se me kwa kwache fish. Fish amekwa kwache no mede when you kwa mede kwa tu so no ba be so ano no aba. There be the nam ne yinam. What kind of football? And ye wo krom ase. Your stadium facilities are say ye bo game so lighting in the room be so e be falu nyoma hwe time atutu your nyoma ye so enkoye referee so mugina park so boy park so e be boss grass ewu aden everything is not working for us. Mante,
when it comes to Ghana football
me give brother me shema ne de na me kakra na me fa bishop nwie nra me ze we ne statement when pa anu e
deal but and the year 2023
yes.
And from 93 to 2023, how many years?
That's 30 years ago.
So we are into 30 years of professional football in terms of league in a way. Ghana.
Yeah.
Yep. So maybe at an appropriate time, I was here to see a review. Yep. 30 years of professional football league. Saying the pros, the benefits, the yenye frame. Dear enkoye dear was says anyway, you know. I think we really need to look at that. But the issue with light, you know, send almost so almost only late. Minimum arrangement chrome but they shouldn't have happened. Madam kept reminding them so almost for lighting in so ne sumumba ne could delay. The referee even was confused at a point in time. But Nyoma was here, avoid it. These are things that shouldn't be happening. But Yeah, but funny, so bet power the so no correct.
No correct.
They want the right time to come out with the communication. Yeah, due to PR purposes.
But I no correct.
Yeah, it's true. On my 3-4 weeks ago.
Issues one.
There are so many issues. Some has to do with promotion.
Oh, okay.
No promotion of just the league, but bet power. The length and breadth of it is there are two parties to the deal. Bakunya the open. So onya the open, you know, they need to back out. Promotion issues with integrity in your money when a dozen. Ebi a barrier. And Pemdakun are just stepping into the footsteps of Azakes. But when he a statement win in the sense that I'm only defending champion this year. But I'm saying this year, and I'm stating this with no shred of doubt. Ope so when they fine. Born Nankasa born a man in terms of talent. He was in North Africans, no. Yene talent in it here the bobo. What they have better than us facilities, the technical competence, and then strategies in investment. Inti Morocco mbabe peja omobo ni mua. It is not because they are so talented, but maybe they will catch up with us, or even you say personal. Inti as far beba bejia, or beji because they've invested and then they are reaping a year investment no home fast. My Melody Sundowns in Bano, if they are a consistent feature was our competition, start your mom may say that, and they are always in the final two. Omani Azaka score final in the maiden edition. They went to the final in the last edition. Omulusu to as far. It's because there is investment. By any what talent, go now. Comfort share the first go no. You don't need science to work that goal for you. A pure talent and perfect execution. A instinct to ba rebound no when you an opportunity volley. The technique coach being a better giddy I didn't win him here. And that is clearly what was demonstrated here. Then a pushing is like an adrenaline and a pushing echo. No, they share second goal. No, a cross come short. I saw a ball short or cross it and a deflect here kokotomu. So we are good in ball. But what I expected, they say. Kiede sa nyoma baako mienu miensa I say ye dua de ye de beka ho na pagya ye de akosoro because we ke ebro we ebro so bebre say ye ka say ye nyoma yi a see ye tenase ye invest wo mba bo ni ma hyehyɛ ne kama we ni ebro so bebre say ye share as far ke betena hadi nkoma we are targeting the final and the championship yes. But it's because of how I see it. We revel in that and then we rejoice over that. But I think that it is a remarkable feat. They've gone closer to Sa tournament to me. And when they've gone a step further, they didn't just make an appearance. They are making a statement. Say we are one to look out for, and kudos to them. I think so.
Mate, area bedun bishia na tactics bi ana bi wa nche mebe final.
So say me ka say omonye 10. Yep, guy no 50. Minimum bia send him message bi nim say ono dia. So ono nye say. Wow, send him message no. Me mo number no. Ye 15.
Oh, ye 15.
Minim ni pakro. I say how much I say please the Sompa sika. How much should I stake? Be stake. I just buying ticket. So we in sticky and two bot star 256 *3 hash star 256 *3 hash. Na oko Sompa Kumase number 1 into ya wow Sunday way no over to 50
Mate.
But guy no winning any 50 but wait for the final stretch 10 was a because of Monte 5 non so Fambra 3 Nafagusu Sawa into 10 final lap we your corner partial 1 year training to a job. 500 Ghana. Intimate, they met me. I am my
Mate.
Minim de may be.
Medase pa. Bishop, Mira. Baba, Mauser Krobia Kumasia Santa Koroko 20 minutes ago. The release Biaba. Now, okay, Kaka was there. A member of our IMC will join our head coach Prosper Ogum and the deputy captain Richmond Lante for a media briefing tomorrow at the press room of the Barbara Stadium. Georgia, Krobia Kumasia Santa Koroko, exactly 10 o'clock a.m. And IMC no nipa baako ko Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum omo ko akwa kushia na deputy captain Richmond Lamptey ni nyina na ye central for no muhie na nkomo baako mienu bi omo ne ye di na aboa mane makwe me ye research na ye be entoto ye na de be ko so ye de rometimi na my next herbal industry zemenka fanchos ene open the quality herbal product omo na de abedwama so baako NS ointment stretch marks wo ho a baby girls ni ana eputu nko for onim na ebisi basa honam no ibc basa ade ko na kokoje NS ointment time fi ono niam anko ya pasawa wadwa wie no odibo ma de bia fa abonse bibia be de din omo ana dia wignature capsules na ba eye de ma ne mema nyina no ma e man kwabo na ho de zanze kra natural nutrient a ejuma de bono ya de ano edi nti we mre won pamu afa wa na so bi fi wade ni mu ba e mema prostate aljon so bre low libido akona na ba form e na oba bunsa niam de da yi ma na mi aye e ha untimi didi a e ya wignature capsules penfo na intimi nom ma me o ma akwara no fo intimi nom o ya akwada unye numfie dumie no ntimi nom oro wani chemo heba shop bia pharmacy bia re kwa se enesteba industry ni nupa no o pe bi form number na ka ha no yembo 0245 0799150 0245 na 0276 537701 0276 537701 nemu amu pewi no ora monje ne so ntime bi na be bo bishop ye hwe na baba is ebe ready for matches we was ebe bre pa o
kwaye nam so na nye kwan papa
ade de na ba
ye mo bi akwa ba kusi sen nya tiase mu de na se so hwe nanu kwada and a minister for youth and sports honorable member of parliament for Yagaba Kubori honorable Mustafa Yusuf Otonsa Efe Ashanti regional director NSA on the estate officer
Sompa Sports
central regional director on the estate officer Greater Accra director on the estate officer director general Professor Chumesi Utimiti Numbi GFA ba meeting nibi Julius Emuna oni Alex Asante na koye kasa ni nyemu omo kasa afa kwan a e befa so ahia stadium no ehun siesie ni dwumadi a edi di na timako na ye kama ke ye ka asem ni kosi ya na Alex Asante sorry no ka twa meeting ni nyina se ene so mbeti ma stadium so na omu ni sika ye mo akade a de stadium so sa sika na omu ni no ene de problems eba nti na omu sika ya onu judi say in the short and long term ene se o plans o mbeti mi da stadium ama yem pitches na kama na bibia tima konkan se nya sika na bibia abekọ kama ye wi meeting na Alex Kasa asem ni wi na minister bemusa o maka sa de na chese o mama na tini o mebia si yie ya wada na de chie anafi ada no o disika be ma kuma se for no monje no monfanye stadium because ye ball na no matches ni wi no kotoko dreams no ye mo Ghana League match bia o hobi ni se Black Stars abebo Black Stars bebo fia de be na otwe
oh okay na ze betima ye adwuma bi ne niam ba ko mi bi wansa na o ma
ye shebo no na no wukwada ochena ne na
otwe
besine sika ne mai
oh besine sika ne mai
minister sika ne mai e hadwen pa ke na no kotoko match no se me na osoma me ho
yes
ye ko e park ne nenye
oh
omodi nsu na gugu ba bi e green kakra e na ba bi nsu ye brown park ne enye nti mi fa chire ko bisa na me kote se omkofo wi Ghana water na obeye nyankoma de kakra e no munya nsuo de gugu baabi bi
ze no kra baabi nti no bibia
ene omutimi ye na Professor Chumesi ubaya twa park ne se na etem obi ewu baba yara no ene picture nie enie
ene picture ne da so
baba yara stadium nie hwe kwabra ne kura water hose odi gugu on wow look yen kan no kranche ho hwe Mr. Mesa ba yen ko Professor Chumesi gina park ne so no o ma shada select prof na mutwa ba bi e hoye green no hwe pictures we hwe form
all the green pa
good mun rolling no maybe prof so na green Professor Chumesi Minister of Youth and Sports Honorable Mustafa Yusuf Honorable Bobie Regional Director yesemo mun kan ye hap stadium no nche Ghana for sika ne mbai ke yakofa tanker e de nsuo aba because nsuo ni o pictures na hu ye tanker na na stadium no e de nsuo na aba
nsuo na tanker ne de aba
tanker na akra no mo fa tanker ne bra na ndi braba omo ko tanker no look tanker na hu stadium omo mu di nsuo ne ba no ye de omo ka
omo mu di nsuo ne ba na ye de omo
tanker fo mu ye de omo ka yintua ya no mo se o mo ma e no mo de o ma no afọ mo a nti anope o the first trip e ba na mo stadium mini grace
wow
enie ye de o mo ka nti o mo de o ma no na afọ mo o ye aguso enye no nko green grass technology and green grass technology penino down on the zone no
Mr.
Frank Wahin Ghana and Central African Republic no by Bay Park you don't know that stadium hotel you can't ball or be seen in Tuai
hey
a stadium hotel for a damoka Nina Nessie kind of notum and then Frank Wahin a sayaba or say Kodaho as a boy a cabin because you ne Madagascar and Comoros ebebo
wow
they say Koyebim look stadium no ye ni nyai say oh and I see no okay Kevin Ofuriata una contractor obey phase 1 phase 2 Mira Misrel na no boys trainer de on buy baby na no musi enwunu no o ma be patch on me say enwunu biem
ya be patch
ai ya be ye ho adwuma kakra
baby na enwunu no
ai ho enwunu biem away dressing room ase ho no enwunu esoro so mo free baby afi na ko hye o roof no so no mo disilte ho fair play but stadium there was structural problems we want some na making
we no ma be
patch soro they motor na dey afafa ho se na be ainiki o ma furu soro roofing no so no akoyi ni o ma ho but this is the issue Mira this is the issue asem ni nya na ye ka no Kevin brana be ye adwuma no na nkoyie na bibia ntimi nkonkan ye the tanker for car pitch ne ye the stadium hotel for car masa ade ne ye basa so ta se kwaku ntimani abiri sei no na me ka se ye nyina na ye tamochi mimi danso no bi mi ntwatro nemum Monya stadium no na nye yi ye nya sa short term fix no mo fa sika na no mo fa nto fertilizer no mo fa nye park no
no na the best
na say
Black Star
ball ye fiada
ma be soso am
se fiada dru na se ye nye ya na se ye koda be kwesi ada ne dwada yiwe free so na fa na no pa de ne to so kobra ne kura water house de na park no so no omo de anwea bi gugu so anopai me wo ho me ni omo a so yes rem look ye white kronani nya fi ne ye be na ye plaster so
David
me white kronani wa ya baba yara stadium no it ought to be fixed properly sikana mo ka asemo de ba mo de aye no mo famra Professor Chumesi ade ne nya at some point tell people it's not good masa sikani ni wa obeda mo de kasa chroma hotels mo de omoka ensembasa
no be ni say
you get the point ye boni enye ska mo fa bi ntua omo ye de omoka neka ye fa bi maintain stadium no na enye se ska na konkan no baba ya ni ene ne current state na ndia cho so ti ase o say e park ni ye because blasters bokwa dreams ne me dia man so ebeba the bet power case 2 ke asem no eto ye sere so tem ene ka chem say mo elections ye nya adwen say e be ka bi ye nya adwen say e be say no say ye ka say ye ko embassy ho mo amode mo yere ne mo makọ ye ni ano na ye ka say bet power kan election no kananka asem bi say ene jam na moto maba em say suru ho because moto aba no minister nka hwe nkyerem president nka hwe nkyerem last time moto aba wi no you had access with the president, access with the minister. A lot is happening behind the scenes. Na me atanya masem. Bet power. Omo increase sika omo dem players e find the locker room.
Omo increase no. E dey call saying
400 cedis.
Wow.
Yeah. They are moving away from sponsoring the league. They make a kind of
Sompa Sports.
They would want to partner in a different form.
But still omo says can be more players.
Yes, no. But another arrangement between clubs
and a bet power. Tia no de beka ho.
That's a stance. So subscribe here beka ho.
Wow.
Is this why?
One na wasa muni na mudi muni ko.
I
Case me na say. Me catch one of the ESCO members said the money bet power here no. Me ikra me. O si jai o de bi ase na am say ha. Unim because mon ko ESCO meeting. ESCO no so mon so. Na o so bunu fo no to aba ni wie. Na RFS na ko to aba yi tu. Akoka omo ansa na ESCO no etimi afọ me. They don't have an ESCO. This thing has been on the cards for long. I did where Bob on Tenya no. And the kusa na mamwa bet power for natural. 1 million sponsorship no once a Michael Akamin Kabim. They wine and a nije, wine and a ninja. They also in the Juma onye nini na muni minkabi. Nemum ye catcher mo. Sisi ye pesi ye treasure tumwa. enya di bia na edin o kan say da me share sad na asema kan ne say na no tie for the same nimre
nim hwe
ene de
mu wa na beka
ene no munim ana
oh yeah nim
ene na
be ena wa beka me ati ye ni enim
good opana odoye no mbakoi say person ye we be man part said and say me ni kruma na mafa krona fa obo na ye na oba na baba me wa ha
awbe won ni obi
no me say ye ejuma
me ka said you kind dey
say be me won say me ni ono to be man me o na na dwen say mente me say me switch off kakra o ha no be screenshot be mam na me makoti na hwe me say we be man pa kasa na kasa o documents ni o mo ana o ka ho dependence ni nyina forms are filling here ni na me display o ha
jo me da so we have no be sure why me da say agomi abra na me nye me final draw no me hwe na me page me mu na me nko yours se me mbere na ye mre ni ade a ti me hwe na ma hwe de ono bo no modern na watimi enya we na ye ya na agomi ame mo 1 minute bi be ko sa twamitume na menhwe de obo modern na we amaka eze ni ya tutum Sompa sika promotion ye call 500 Ghana ti fa code ni to de bi e transfer na waba *256 *3 hash *256 *3 hash amze we ni de nyame dikre no na ado yanko miaso na mehwe de wanwene why ti adon gaza be miaso bi ya botre ti me lucky winner no second no ye 0257 360 0257 360 ti iweni visa na mofi hwe na frɛ winner na mame na me ni wie na me page mu ti me zemo mo fa me ti confirm twe code no to *256 *3 hash *256 *3 hash ti movi for second winner na mame na me hwe se meeting na akwa ye yana ya didi nkomo kakra na mabisa na ba kumienu bisa ne nsa ka ne do na goes card ehu hia pa na yemram na enko kama pa di enze yenya wina no enche mehwe na mene no etimi edidi nkomo na aboa na ne ma dedadi nti code no fa na fa to *256 *3 hash *256 *3 hash ochena ebeba ye ba ohun se manya transia mawura ape na wajaze na wutwa bo va Ghana de mudu oboabo no esmas ye beboa na dwumade bia wudi bia nyema dedade de amantie Sompa sika promotion ena baba be roma boa manema dedade nso no etimi edema kama pa mu nkomo no edeyi pa ti mze ni aye ya anti mame kona me ne nkasa baba jo Sompa TV ni na okasa fi na udin hello yeah Otemen kan Sompa TV ni odini baby akasafi
Bachone tonka
odini baby akasafi na na Sompa sika promotion on the toss me 500 Ghana na wadi unsa kan let no
Bachone saka
na ujazai
Bachone chat 10 cedis
chat 10 cedis
Bachai
oza 500 Ghana no wanya
Bachai nya let
di dia na beka
okay obia entwabi na repa omukoso entwa
da no pay de niama de ye pa ma be 10 Ghana cedi or 500 Ghana de nya de ketwa
ya de dadi
ate di ochena so ya no waba bitwa why
you that's
okay di yenu ano no ono na nya de tosumienu no ti wa oba mu bia na ne anyewe no chena bra oba ebefa kakra onso osuma be pie na wanya bia di na aboa manema kwedi amanti yere ma premier call 12 boy up news ni be baransa na no yenti wi
wante unipeduase a wote ayaresase esono se wo apomuden